We are live. What's up, everybody? Rock and roll. Nice to see everyone in the building. Let me shut the audio off. We're live on YouTube. Long time no see. We're back at it again as if we never left. So I hope you guys had a good week. Portfolio Management Live. We are analyzing the tickers that you want me to analyze. So let's break that down right now. The tickers we're looking at tonight is the SPY, PLTR, Nvidia, Tesla, MATIC, Mara, XRP, MRO, and we're going to end the high note with Bitcoin itself, the mother of all cryptocurrency. So let's go. Before we start the live, you guys already know that I will be giving away multiple levels, different levels of crypto or my book. So we're going to start off with 150 likes. And also within the 150 likes, as you're liking it, there's two comments going on, the live comments and then the public comments under, like the comment you leave under a video. So keep track of it to be fair. As we hit the threshold of 150 comments, I will go into it. We're going to pick I'm going to scroll. That's the fairest way to do it. I'm just going to do this and pick a random one. That's how I'm going to play that. And then as we go into tiers of another 150, 300, I'll give away $300 of my MATIC. And crypto, I'll easily send it right on the live. So we'll make that happen. Or the book for free. Whatever you want, you get two of the books if you want for 300. If we hit 300 likes in the comments as well. So let's jump right into it and let's go. Before we start, you guys already know, I want you to understand that all this information that I'm going to cover is here. You want to use this to basically answer everything we're about to do. So which page? Let me just get that out of the way, because I do want you all to follow along with the book. So let's go. Page, keep that in mind. Mainly tonight, because it is analyze the portfolio, right? We're talking long-term overall. Page 100, make page 100. Is it really, that's the only one? Well, 100, and sorry, plus page 41. These are the two pages that you should be on aggressively. These two. What's up, guys? What's up? Let me acknowledge the comment section. Javi, Eric, Sam. Always good to see you guys. Ronnie, Javi, Gary. What's up, Gary? That's a new person. Emfa, nice to meet you. Sal is in the building, everybody. Sal, good to see you, my brother. Love the new setup. I appreciate you, Sal. Guys, funny thing about Sal is his name is Salvatore Ragusa. He is blocked on my Instagram, but I'm going to let him rock on YouTube. I'm going to let him rock. It's okay. It's okay. Eric, don't do anything, Eric. Don't say nothing. Don't get him crazy. All right, so let's jump right into it. So now that you know, mainly be on page 41 and 100. You guys can shuffle through page 41 and page 100. So let's go. By the way, y'all should be sharing this live actively. I would do $150 of crypto or my book is not being given away until we hit a threshold of 150. I'm a man of my word. Let's get to 300. Let me give away two books for $300 in crypto. Whatever people choose. So let's make that happen. By the way, the audio is good. Sound is good. You guys love the new setup. I appreciate you. We're not done yet. You see the bottom where it says professor and all that? That's being reworked. There's a 3D version of my logo coming out too. So that's all being reworked that you see at the bottom right here. So yeah. Those watching on Instagram, jump onto YouTube, folks. Get off of the Instagram. No one's winning anything. The comments are off on over there. Jump on the YouTube, Day Trade Professor. It's in the story. So now let's go. Before I jump into this week I covered on the IG, I did reels, my morning reel videos. I did, let me try to go by memory, SPY, Mara, Tesla, Nvidia, PLTR. I did 5 of them. How many of you, I can see the live chat, how many of you took those trades, made money on the trade, or my levels hit and you saw it? And the last question, that if you were shocked that the levels worked as well as they did. This time, folks, I can't forget the water. I got a big table in front of my face. This time, I'm good to go. So let me know that in the comment. I want to know. I miss you, man. Unblocked, still faithful. Sal, you know you're watching from some fake secret Instagram. Stop it. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. Let's go. Let me know in the comments which ones did you trade, how it worked out for you. Let me know. I might stay live long. I got a big mason jar of water. I might stay for a long time. Tony says, I saw it hit, took 2 trades. Let's go, CB. John Paul, your levels hit, and I saw it. Anybody here was shocked when they saw the levels hit? Were in utter shock that it happened. By the way, let me know, because I know some of you are probably watching this on YouTube and on Instagram. How is it looking? And if someone can make videos tagging me, I would love that. Like post me, tag me of the Instagram, the YouTube, the whole 9 yards, the book. That means the world to me. One of my biggest wins with PLTR. Let's go, Dustin. Let's go. Praise God. Mashallah, my brother. My levels were the same as yours and they hit perfectly. Let's go, Cal. You'll pee yourself? No, I'll be fine. I got in Nvidia, got out too early. It's okay, Roberto. You got to trust your levels. It's me, JP. It's me, JP. Gene Paul. Oh, JP. What's up, my brother? No, I traded Tesla. I made levels and compared to see how I'm doing good. Videos are very clear and sounds good. So now here's the question for all of you. If they were so good, why the hell were you not engaging with it? Why were you not engaging with it? Because today's the last day I'm doing them. I'm not even going to go next week because I'm like, damn, the comments, you guys just stopped caring. The only way I could know, I could think of it as ratings. I don't even care about the views. Don't care about the views. The Instagram algorithm shifts so much, you never know what the freak is about to happen with that. So why don't you engage with them? Because they're not coming back next week. Screw that. 50 comments on the last one? Screw that. The only thing that shocked me was that people weren't adopting. Eric, that's what I'm saying. I agree. It's crazy. I was surprised at how much better my levels got just from watching you. Tomas, that's the goal. Tomas, you're taking the mentorship. Hold on. January, February, March, April, May. March or May, Tomas? Which month are you coming? You're going to grow so fast. So fast. You're active. You've been loyal to me. You were on my, you won one of the contests when I was in Morocco. You got the book. You're going to get far. You're going to get far. Still loading PLTR. Sal's loading PLTR. These levels? Nah, bro. Bad move. Bad move. People don't understand the value. Damn. Personal family challenging this week, Professor. I understand. I understand. People don't understand the value. I know. Listen, if I would have, I know the algorithm. People just want Lambos, half-naked chicks, clubs, fast cars, nonsense. I know the algorithm well. Nonsense gets the most views. True knowledge connected to that, then people lose interest. The first video rocket shipped, but then lost. So March, Tomas, I'll see you then. So just so you know, don't expect the morning videos anymore. That's a wrap on that one. All right, now let's jump into it. We're at 72 comments. Guys, keep me active. I'm not looking at the views actively, but once we hit 150, I do want to give away the book and that. So just so you know, I'm just going to, because I want the rules to be fair. It's not just 150 views. I also want this. Let me show you. You have to drop in the comment. Let's see. I don't even know how to do that. How the hell do you do that on this? No idea. All right, let's do the SPY. First ticker we're doing is the SPY. Let's break it down. Let's zoom out. Oh, we could bring this for the people stealing my content. We could bring this down here. I'm down. All right. Let's move, and let's move. All right, can you guys see? All right, cool. Let me know if you guys can see and if all is well. Let me know. So let's go into it. The ticker is SPY on the daily. If you notice, sideways, and ever since then, explosion. It went sideways again for a few days. Explosion. And now it's going straight sideways again. Here's the part I need you to understand. When we start going sideways, that's when you should be a little risk off. Meaning what? Lower position size. Meaning what? Faster entries, faster exits. Meaning what? Chill out for a bit when it comes to being long aggressively. Yes, the past 4, this week has been a monster week right here. Monster week. I can't see the levels. You don't need to see the levels. This is not a level video. This is the analysis video. So now, let's zoom into it. Let's expand. If you notice, we are in the sell zone. We are back in the sell zone. We are at a level of resistance right here. We want to see what happens with the breakthrough. One thing I want you to understand is, if I could tell you one lesson throughout this entire live, it's this. 31 likes only. David TSC, there you go. Guys, get the likes up. 36 live, 81 people watching as of now. That like should be shooting up. I'm giving away hundreds of dollars worth of crypto. Does no one want it? Does no one want it? Let's go. Let's make it happen. Come on. So one thing I want you to understand is historically, and I'll do a live on this in February. I'll do a live on this topic in February where I'll break down historical data. And historical data shows what? Overall, the market moves up. The market, when it comes to negative, is this. When it comes to positives, is this. So keep that in mind. You cannot be a bear forever or bear for most of the time. I'm a bear mainly when it comes to shorting, and I'll say the key word, which I always say, is shorting garbage penny stocks. Keep that in mind. That's why I always put the word garbage. People are like, why you say garbage? Just to say penny stock. No, because people, remember, many of you listening only hear what you want to hear. You pick and choose the words coming out of my mouth. That's what, if I say garbage penny stock, you're like, oh, let me not invest in any garbage penny stock, he says. That's why. I mainly short them to the downside. That's what I do. You need the least amount of money to make the most amount of money. Again, by the way, I'll take this minute to pause. Link in the bio, free course if you're broke. If you have no money and you're watching this, what's this guy selling? There's nothing to buy. People, you can't, some of you watch Lamborghini videos and you'll be like, oh, I can't afford that. Lamborghini is a scam. Huh? Wake up. One thing I will tell you, by the way, Instagram people, jump on the YouTube, Day Trade Professor. Jump on. Let me give people money. Give people money. Get the book if you want to follow along. And then your job is to get to my class in New York. January is sold out. March is very close to selling out. And just so you know, year to year from now on, prices will go up year to year forever. So if you miss out, you missed out. So the SPY is stuck in here. So now keep in mind, what you see here will be a reflection on the other stocks as well. So that's the breakdown with the SPY. Monster move right here. We are in this key level resistance sell. Let's see what happens. But keep that in mind. Just look at the move. Just one thing I want to say before I move to the next ticker. Keep this in mind. I'm going to go back in time. If I could teach you one thing, and it's something I wrote in the book. If I could tell you one thing, and I'm going to read this from the book. It's the first quote for those following along, it's after the table of contents. To understand the present and future, you must understand the past. For those of you watching, for example, Sal said, I'm loading on PLTR. You should be taking profits at key levels. You should take profits. Look at right here. The SPY kept going higher and higher and higher. And what eventually happened? Hit a level, as you can see my level there at 45779, and then look what happened. Crumbled down. What I'm trying to tell you is this. You want to take the money you make in these areas, if you got in here, and you sold here, what you want to do is wait for it to eventually stop falling, go sideways, load in, and then continue. This ideology that many of you have, which God bless you. If it works for you, it works for you. I'm not here to knock down any of your strategies. I'm just trying to tell you, take the profits, reload, and do it again. That's what I do when it comes to my MATIC. I'm selling at the rough top. I'm never going to say I get the exact top. Anyone telling you they catch all the bottom to top, God bless them. God bless them. You just want to get your money from this to this to this. Compounding as you get better at the game. That's all you want to do. If you leave it in, why? Unless it's your long-term view of Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's going to 100,000. Cool, God bless. I have Bitcoin to 6, 7, 8, 10,000. God bless. That's a different strategy. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about taking the money that you're making actively and have it work constantly. If you look at all the books from the Quran, the Bible, the Torah, God wants the money. God doesn't want you to keep the money. He wants you to spend it in good means for it to keep moving and to make you more of it. That's the goal. Imagine, if you will, your money as a form of, I'm going to do farming. I used to farm prior to being the digital professor when I had time in my life. I love farming. I love gardening, farming, planting trees. I'll give you the story. I planted about 60 trees in my backyard around my property. 60. This was about, I bought the house 11 years ago. When I started teaching, started getting some money. I bought it 11 years ago. There was no trees on the property. Planted like 60, 70. Do you think all of them played out? No. Some of them died. The ones that died, I said, hold on a second. Why did it die in that area? I watered it the same. I took care of everything the same. So what I found out is when I dug much deeper, there was, I forget what it's called. But let's just say it was hard rock. Very, very hard, thick rock. And I remember the story vividly. Had to go to Home Depot and had to get a rock crusher, like a pole. And I would have to hit the pole to crush the rock in that area. It's fascinating. There was a problem. I saw the problem. I solved the problem by noticing, wait, if my portfolio in some of my tickers is doing so well, why not that one? What's the issue on that one? And that's what I had to come to the conclusion. If some of your account, sorry, you got to see, finally I get to drink water. All this talking I'm doing, finally get to drink water. By the way, reverse osmosis, alkaline mineral water with a slight drop of nascent iodine. For those asking what kind of water it is, yeah, alkaline, reverse osmosis, alkaline with minerals and a tiny drop of nascent iodine. So that's the point I'm trying to tell you. You should analyze your portfolio over the weekend, see what's not performing, and what you can do is try to trim or get rid of the garbage and load it into the ones that work. It's that simple. When something is dying, kill it, get rid of it, and keep going. Boom. YouTube is way better than Insta. I like free crypto knowledge. I appreciate that. We're almost there. We're at 101 views, but 62 likes. You guys, what are you doing? It takes a millisecond. I want to give people stuff. I want it. Remember, 2024 is all about giving back to you. That's what 2024 is. So there's the breakdown with the SPY. All right, we're done with that. We're done with that. Let's jump to the next ticker. What is the next ticker? Come on, smart boy. PLTR. Let's go. So PLTR, you know what? Let me just quickly, as I'm on this, let me quickly just break down, because I just did the breakdown video. By the way, what do you guys, give me some feedback, because I'm going to bring this back maybe March, late February, I don't know. Give me feedback. I did the morning video and I did the breakdown on YouTube. What did you guys think about it? What can I add to it? Let me know. All right, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Let's go right here. All right, so let's get rid of, hold on. All right, let's just keep the drawings. I just want to gauge, I'm just taking a break for 1 second on the portfolio and just talking about something. Hold on 1 second. I really want to talk about this. Because I might as well, I just did it, right? So this is ticker. Because I know a lot of people traded this. PLTR for the date of, I don't know what today, I never know the date. That's the only thing I screw up when I make videos. I mess up the date. And the time frame, I don't even know what time frame it is. All right, so point being, what you saw here was, who traded this? Tell me in the comment section right now. Who traded PLTR with my morning levels? Tell me in the comment section. Let's make it happen. Also, as I say that to you, what I want to tell you is, if you're watching new traders, listen to me. Let me just talk to someone who's watching this for the first time, who doesn't really understand the market. Give me a thumbs up if you don't know the market well. You're new to the game. This is what I would tell you. PLTR is a very gentle mover. This is the slowest mover that I did this week. What I would suggest is, if you notice how nicely it moves, hit my levels to the T, all this, very gentle. You will never blow your account doing this. Stay away from options until you get really good, then you can go to options. But I don't have much. You don't need much in the early stages. So if you chase the money's going to run away. You're all chasing money. You're chasing money That's why it runs away from you. You ever thought of creating an environment where money will grow from you? Say that again. How about you create an environment where the money will grow from you itself? Our ancestors were what? Nomads. They just followed the animals. And then somewhere down the bloodstream, our bloodline, somebody said, what if we just put a cage, a fence, barricade them in? We won't have to leave. And as they reproduce, we'll feed them, make more of them, eat from them, live in one place, build a community, and grow off of that. Do you not see that? If you foster good ideology with you, one mentor, one strategy, one God, if you foster this in you right now and you build on that, you will grow exponentially. The money will feed off of that. You are the watering hole. You grow from that. And the money will eat and grow and grow and grow. Do you not see that? But you're chasing after and you're wondering why you can't catch up to it. You haven't built the environment where money wants to stay with you. But it's not staying with you. That's the thing I need you to understand. Why is that so difficult? Because I need it now. But yet many of you spend years in school wasting your time learning nonsensical things. Don't know what to tell you. All right, I love the morning videos and breakdown. Remind me of a sports show. Thank you, Eric. You exactly on the 15th. Thank you, Art. I'm on the 15th. Thank you. Exactly how you teach. I am. Good. I see this. Boom, boom. If you're new and you live in New York, you got to go to the class. No excuses. Some of my friends travel from Australia and Lithuania. Thank you, David. Appreciate mentorship students. Thank you for the kind words in the comments. I love it. Share your experiences. For those mentorship students, share it. Drop them. I love that. Thank you. So if you notice right here, PLTR moves very nicely. Comments are off. I know, Kevin. I turned the comments off purposely. I need people on the YouTube, not the Instagram. I'm trying to get them off. By the way, Kevin, how many people are watching on the Instagram? Nobody should be watching over there, but I should cut that off and make people come here. Tell me the number. I'll cut that off. All right, so now let's go to daily. Let's go. So PLTR, let's go full screen. So true. I wish I had this mindset 10 years back, but still, it's never too late. 100%, Sana. It's never late. Don't think like this. One of my youngest students is 13, who took the mentorship years ago. And my eldest, well, that's, who cares about the age part? But yeah. So here we go. Let's try to keep this in picture. So let's expand. Let's expand. So let's go. PLTR. Straight downtrend. By the way, I spoke actively of PLTR when it was in the 6s, 7s, actively. I don't know if I did a full-blown video, but I'm sure it's somewhere in the interwebs, breaking down how I absolutely love PLTR and how at this price point, when it comes to long-term, God bless. God bless. Got 79 people over there. Christine, thank you, Christina. 79 people on Instagram. Get off the Instagram and jump over to the YouTube. I'm not giving away any money to you Instagrammers right now. Not today. Maybe Tuesday. Jump on. We got to get those views up to get. I need to give away my money. You guys don't know, but I don't want to know. If you only knew the philanthropy I do behind the scenes, but it's not nobody's business but me and God. But point being, Palantir straight downtrend. But as you notice, stage 1 right here. We need to break that 1705 for it to continue. Am I on the daily? Hold up. I'm pretty sure I'm on the daily. I just want to double check. All right, just double checking. I don't want to see the wrong information because the charts really feed me everything. We are on a stage 1 right here, but we are a continuous. Ticker is PLTR on the daily time frame. We are on a continuous downtrend. For those that say that this garbage sucks, again, this stock is not a garbage stock. This stock is the future of data mining, data tracking, black op, military contracts, all that stuff that people do that you don't like. It's being done by every company anyway. So forget the ethic parts. It is what it is. So let's zoom into it. PLTR has been very choppy lately, as you can see at this candle right here. The wicks, small body, undecisiveness. But now we have a clear trend, but the body is a lot smaller. We are stuck within this range. See what happens on the break of this range right here at the $17 mark on PLTR. So keep that in mind. This thing loves to shuffle between 15, 16 to 20 bucks. That's the range it loves playing in. Remember, take the profits and reload in stocks or crypto that's much cheaper and been bloodshed decimated. Keep going. Oh, we're about to get the 150. We're 123 views. Guys, get those likes up. Come on. We're 27. We're 20 viewers. Come on, 20 viewers away. Guys, get the likes. Let me give away. Come on. I had this urge to give to people. Like, it's the dying urge. By the way, if you're working on a business or working on something to level yourself up, the secret is to give back and just do it wanningly. I promise you'll be rewarded 10x by God. I promise you. I promise you. All right, that's PLTR. What's next? Let it be MATIC. I'm going to talk about MATIC. Nope, Nvidia. All right. By the way, the person that commented under one of my Nvidia videos is not Nvidia. It's Nvidia. Whatever he said. Why? You know what? I'm going to give a lecture. I'm going to give a lecture. Screw that. I'm going to give a lecture. Why do we get hung up on semantics? Why? I drop a video and the comment under the video is the way I'm pronouncing the word. Who cares? Did you make money off the video? Are you actively making money on the video? I left Instagram to come here. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, 100%. That's the only thing you should care about. When people message me saying, oh, show us your car. I don't have one. I have a chauffeur. Why does that matter? Oh, show us your house. Why does that matter? GP texted me, love the studio, professor. Where the hell did you build it? I said, in one of my living rooms. He goes, one of them. I said, my house has 3 living rooms. So, and I just completely got the moving trucks, emptied out the whole, one of the living rooms, created this massive studio that you see. Moved it over from the other side where I was to a different side and expanded and got rid of all the furniture. It's like dead, but the massive studio, other side as well. And all the lights and everything is on that side. So that's the thing I need you to understand. Come here to learn. Come here to make money. I'll give you a DM today. Damn, I should have screenshotted it. I blocked it. Damn. The guy goes, oh, I see a Quran on your desk. Yeah, I read. I got other books here too. Herbal Doctor, The Medicine of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The Quran, I'm active, I'm a man of God. The guy goes, how, because I saw it, my team was messaging him. He goes, oh, how many years have you been a Muslim? My team goes, sir, talk about anything about trading, not that. And he just starts going on more about religion. I just tell him to block. We block the guy. Come here to learn. Nothing of my personal life is irrelevant to you. To you. Are you making money because of me? It's the only thing you should ask anyone. When you get on social media, if you're not using it to learn, funny stuff, fine. Other than, mainly come to learn. Learn, motivate, grow, make money. That's it. The rest is nonsense. There's my lecture on that. Because that, I swear to God, human beings are fascinating creatures. Fascinating. All right, let's go. So by the way, who traded Nvidia today? Got calls or puts? Who did it? Studio turned out great. Thank you, Munoz. I'm sorry if I said it wrong. Much better, great sound. Thank you. Yeah, the microphone's right there. Thanks for teaching us. You're welcome. Professor's back is on my desk. Professor Book. Thank you, Sal, for getting the book. Sal, you know I do respect you. You are blocked on my Instagram, but you're not in here saying nasty things to me. You're not being, you're not being belligerent. You're still respectful. You know what, Sal? I'll unblock you. I'll unblock you, Sal. What's your Instagram, Sal? I feel bad now. I do. I don't know what his Instagram is. Sal, type your Instagram in the comments quickly. I'll unblock you right now, bro. You made me feel bad. Quickly tell me your Instagram. I'll block you. Unblock you. So here we go. If you traded Nvidia, my God, what a move. And you know, this one is interesting. Let me go back. I do want to analyze something. This was a very interesting stock, and I was very hesitant on actually doing it. Me, blocked me, unblocked me. Art, I don't even know who you are. You're not a, I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are, Art. You're the amount of people blocked. He's still here watching. Eric, it's okay. Maybe I'll block him in 2 months. I don't know. I feel bad right now. I feel bad. Let me unblock the kid. By the way, you know what's crazy? For those asking what does Sal do, he's been a watcher. I block watchers, just people actively watching who don't gauge. I blocked them. But the thing is, Sal lives in the neighborhood. Sal lives one town away from me. And he still didn't come to the mentorship, but has my book. Sal is watching the price of my mentorship go up year to year to year and sitting there wondering, should give him 30 days unblocked. It's the seed sower inside of you that makes you a good teacher. You want the win for people, and only a person who has servants' heart can endure it. Thank you. Sal, drop your Instagram already. I'm waiting. Come on. Guys, we're at 141 viewers. Let's get the likes up, bro. Come on. Let's go. You just have to click like. And somebody will randomly win crypto right now. Or my book for free. You have nothing to lose. I'm going to do it live. Sal's taking too long. Damn you, Sal. Taking too damn long. All right, when did I do this ticker? I believe it. No, I don't want to lie. So let me check. Let me check. So I don't want to say the wrong date. When did I do this? Yep, yesterday. I did it yesterday. All right. So here's the thing about Nvidia. When I did the levels, let me go full screen. Let me talk about this because there's a lesson here. Even though I did it in the nightly breakdown video, I want to do it now as well. Might as well. And then I'll go to the daily time frame. Keep this in mind because I really didn't want to do it. The ticker is, I'm going to tell you why I didn't want to do it. Actually, you guys tell me in the comments, why did I not want to? Why did I not want to do this ticker? Still 65 people left on IG. Come on, folks. Guys, get off of it. Go to the YouTube. Get off of it. Get on the YouTube. Don't make me cut the live on Instagram. Come on. Jump over. Ticker is Nvidia. And the date was, because I know you guys are probably watching this in the future. So I want you to be able to analyze it properly. What's the date on this? 1/11. 1/11/24. Who can tell me why I did not want to do this one? Why? I just had my first profitable week thanks to you, Professor Eunice. Let's go, Eunice. Eunice was a star at my mentorship November, star at the live trading. How did you like the live trading, Eunice, when we live traded for the whole week of Christmas? How was it? Thank you, Professor, for all the lives. I appreciate you so much. I have your book open, taking notes. I haven't taken any trades yet. I'm still very new. That's fine, Sana. Why aren't you in the New York? Too fast? One is too fast. Two sold. It's better than that. Because of price point? No. Well said, Professor. People care about what others do. What some need to do. It's human nature. Too distracted 100%. Because it's at Vasco. Guys, if you see the name Vasco Faria Blanc, that's Coco. Coco, if you saw when I was traveling Spain, I was traveling North Africa, Morocco. Coco was everywhere. Coco showed me around Spain. This is the power of being connected around the world. As you see my logo spinning with the earth, Coco met me in Spain. Coco met me in Morocco, came to the mansion. We live traded. Coco, are you coming to Thailand? Thailand, August. We're doing live trading in Thailand at the Thailand mansion. I love when you say human beings are fascinating. So true. Sal, give me your Instagram. I'm going to unblock you. What are you doing? Because I know you're watching me from a separate Instagram. It is because it's all-time highs. Yep, Tomas, you guys got it. Overextended, all-time highs. All of this. All-time highs. That's why I didn't want to do it. But there was a lesson here. This, when I made it, was at record highs. The top here, no clue. Yeah, sure. Let's go. Coco's coming to Thailand as well. The live week trading was an awesome experience. I learned so much. What was the main thing, Eunice? What was the main thing? It's the main thing. Because I love how much you're progressing. You came to the first mentorship, then you came to live trading, and now you can come back for free. When are you coming back, Eunice? You coming to January, March, or any of them? All-time highs. So I didn't want to do it. But I said if it pulled back, I got you. If you notice, level 1, level 2, level 3. Hit. Each of these were your profit. We just hit 155 viewers. Guys, I need you to hit like. The rest of you, the 30 some of you didn't hit like. Hit like. Let me give away. I need the likes, not the watching. I need 155 likes. So let's go. Get it and let me give away whatever somebody wants. So if you notice, hit, went back, and look what happened later. Hit those levels again later in the day. Levels work. Professor, it's already midnight where I am, but still enjoying your teaching. Thank you, William. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Professor Sal has always been a great supporter. Plus, at least he bought your book. He may have personal reasons not to be able to take your mentorship. Thanks for unblocking him. Sal, post your IG. Jeanette, here's the thing. This is the issue. This is the reason why I blocked him, and I'm going to tell you why, Sal. Sal killed it from Tesla from what he learned from me. He made over $4 grand. He messaged me publicly in front of everyone saying, I'm going to sign up for the mentorship, take my Tesla wins, and sign up. And he didn't take action. I didn't like that. He gave me his word. He gave me his word and went back on it. That's the thing. He made it, said it, didn't execute. He's a watcher. I need people to wake up to stop being watchers and execute. That's all it is. If I'm not going to push you, who's going to push you? You're not pushing yourself. If you're not pushing yourself to take action, then what more can I do? What more can I do? My job is to get you to execute. I want you to have multiple paychecks. I want you to be ready before the year 2030 comes along and they have their other agendas to screw you over. I want you to have mobility to travel anywhere you need to at the drop of a hat. That's what I need to do. What do you want me to sit here and be like this? I'll play the card. I can do this. Guys, you're doing great. Everybody, you're doing so good. You're trying your best. You know, it's good. Just, you know, you're doing your best. It's okay. Just come, learn a little bit. I know you have light problems. Try to fix all your light problems. It's all going to be okay. Just watch everything. Just watch. Because from watching, again, Jeanette, you know I love you. I'm not talking to you, Jeanette. I'm talking in general. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking in general. Because you know I love you, Jeanette. You're one of my original OGs, mentorship. You helped me connect with the politicians in Puerto Rico, so you know I love you. This is not you. I'm just talking in general. So you know it's okay. Guys, you don't have to get the book. You know, I wrote this. This is how I became consistent. This is how I make money. I've live traded. I have a live trading playlist on my secret Instagram. All of that stuff. Use it. But, you know, use it. But just watch. You know, just watch. You don't have to always take. You don't need that tone. You don't need that tone. You need the tone that speaks from my heart, that says, I need you to push through. No, you cannot be comfortable for too long. If the virus didn't wake you up, I don't know what will wake you up. That's what woke me up. That's what woke me up. I'm just saying, I was asleep too. I was like Sal. I was like many of you. I was sleeping too. I was on cruise control, comfortable. And then the virus happened and they shut it all down. They took away my campus. They shut it all down. Remember the one of the mentorships I did on campus? For those of you watching, maybe you're here from the original one. They forced all my students to wear the mask. And they came to me and said, why aren't they wearing them? I said, we're here for 8 hours Saturday, 8 hours Sunday. I can't have them wear it. Well, you can't come here anymore. That's enough. And I got kicked out and I'm not allowed to go to that campus that I was using anymore. Do you see what I'm saying? The world will shut you down. But if you can learn to make some money off the charts, if you learned anything from this week, by the way, we're 11 likes away from me giving away some money. Let's go, folks. You're watching. Just hit the like. Let me give you some money. If you learned anything this week from my content and you didn't pay me a cent, not a penny. One thing you should understand is how my levels from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday hit. How they hit. And you can't just say, oh, you just posted a morning video, whatever. I posted a breakdown explaining it too. What more do you need? I don't understand. What more do you need for me to wake you up that this is possible? But you know how many morons are constantly hitting up? No, I don't answer the DMs. It's not me. I'm only on the secret Instagram. How many morons hit up my team? Levels don't work. Support resistance is a scam. Trends are a scam. Stop scam. Huh? You're scammed already. Life has already scammed you. You're talking about the stock market, crypto market, forex market scamming you? Life has already scammed you. What are you talking about? You're 3 to 4 paychecks away from being homeless. You're 3 to 4 paychecks away from being homeless and you're talking about scam is the market? Your perspective is so out of whack, you don't know what reality is. You live in a false reality. The majority of you, a lie is the truth. You think the lie that you live is actually the truth. But what are you going to do? Stay asleep? Stay asleep. Literally, the course is free. The course is free. You don't have to pay. Day trade professor. It's all at the bottom. I know you see it rolling down. You see all this active stuff. We're 8 viewers likes away from a giveaway, a free book, or the mentorship. Mentorship. No, that's never happening. Then no one's ever getting that for free. That's not happening. Jeanette, I hear you. That's what you did for me. I'm grateful for you because I'm able to trade on my own thanks to your mentorship. And you're welcome, Jeanette. You're welcome. Hopefully I see you in Puerto Rico in April. Hopefully. The mansion's booked, but I think we have like 8 seats left for the mansion overall, just to drop by. All right, so back to the point. What was I saying? I'm done with this conversation. Let's go. By the way, I did this yesterday. Let's see if this played out today. Look at that. That's today. Let's zoom in. This is today. My levels from yesterday worked out even today. Nobody wants to be free. Easier to be asleep. I agree. I want the book. Link in the bio down below. You see everything right here. Remember, guys, I only have one account. All the fake TikToks, I literally, my team checked it. They said there's about 800 fake accounts of me on TikTok. 800. Only one of them is mine. Remember, never send me cryptocurrency. I will never DM you for crypto. Please don't fall for that. Look at that. So now, boom. Now let's go to the higher time frame, daily time frame. Let's go. So my point on the video right here. Let's zoom in more. Let's expand. What I want you to understand, let's go back in time. Let's do that again. I like that example. Let me drink some water. Bro, this is the first time in a long time where I actually got to drink a lot of water. Boom, boom, boom. Let me drink some. Hold on. Your strategy does not fail me. Now I'm working, hitting sell button. When I see my target hit, not be greedy. I love it. JM, Jim or JM? JM. Cheers to you, my brother. My user, Ryder, was blocked on Instagram. Guys, Eric, Art, God bless. Just enjoy the YouTube, bro. You guys are probably watchers. You didn't comment enough, so my team blocked you. Simple. Oh, they gave me Sal's Instagram. Hold on. Let me unblock Sal. Thank you, Christina. Sal, R-U-G. No, R-A-G. R-A-G. USA. 2183. I'm a man of my word. Welcome back, Sal. Welcome back. Oh, look at your little son. I love it. Adorable. There's a like right there, Sal. I do love Sal, but he's been watching and watching and watching. That's the issue. What do you think about Bitcoin? I'm going to talk about Bitcoin, Carlos. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. I just started. I'm only on the 3rd ticker, bro. I'm only on the 3rd ticker. I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. All right, let's go. All right, so back to the point. This ticker, what the hell is this ticker? What ticker was this? Nvidia. All right, here we go. This is what I want you to understand. Look at this. Yeah, let's go as far back as we can, because I want to make a point here. I'm going back in time for this example with Nvidia, because I really want to show you. Professor, can you please talk about taxes? Hugo, I already had a tax. It's okay. All right, I'm going to be nice. Every single year, that just, you know what, why I just did that reaction in my head? That means you're a watcher, Hugo. You don't actively engage with my content. Every single year I have a tax CPA professional come on the live and break down taxes. He came on last week. Give me a thumbs up if you saw that live with Anthony breaking down the taxes. I don't understand. This is why I like blocking people. I want to get the watchers off the live. Can you please talk? Literally did a whole live on it every year. For 4 years I had a professional come on. It's on the Instagram. Human beings. Y'all follow hundreds of people, thousands of people, and then you wonder why you lose. The algorithm doesn't show you the content. You wonder why. The amount of watchers is wild. Notice the video rallied. People think it's going to go up forever. And what happened? Fell back down. Fell further down. Fell further down. Hugo, there you go. All the people watch the tax lives. I saw it, Tony says. Hugo, you're a watcher. I really want to go and block him off this, but I'm going to let it go. I got tired of watching and signed up for the March mentorship. Let's go, Guy. Let's go. It's time for me to step up. Wait a second, Guy. That name is familiar. Guy, were you also blocked on Instagram? My team blocked a Guy person. My photographic memory. I just don't want to... These watchers are slowing us down. Exactly, Carlos. Exactly. Sean Deckmar. Oh, I love... Sean Deckmar is my favorite person on social media. He's my favorite trader. Sorry. He's my favorite trader on social media. Point being, Nvidia fell massively. And now... Awesome to hear. I just found you. I will start with your book. No, I don't think you just found me. Your name, Hugo Gonzalez, is very familiar. I don't think that's true. Yes, I was. There you go, Guy. Yeah, remember. There you go. There you go. All right, and now, look at this. Look at this move on Nvidia. And it keeps going. Now, here is the question for you. Here is the question for you. Make sure you answer in a complete sentence. Guys, we're 3 likes away from a giveaway. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? We got 163 viewers. Let's get it up. 3 likes. You lazy people. Question is, as Nvidia goes higher, your risk does your risk go up? Your risk goes down of making money. Answer in a complete sentence and why. Let's go. Answer that. Answer that. And we just hit 152 likes. All right, giveaway time. Let's go. Guys, as I do the giveaway, I need you to answer this bloody question. Let's go. Let's see. All right, how are we going to do this giveaway? I want to do it in a way. Hold on. I want to do it in a way where it's super fair and... Hold on. I kicked the smartboard. Hold on. All right, let's see. I want to give this away in a fair way. Let's go. All right, let me see how we can play this. All right, if I go to the live, okay, I see my live. All right, is there a way? Okay, live chat. Okay, we do that. Eric or someone from the mentorship, is there a way to actively comment on the video other than the chat? Is there a way to actively comment? For those who might be on a computer. I don't see a way to, I just see the live chat. Oh, I gotta like my own video. Why didn't I like my own video? There's no way to do that. All right, cool. I guess not. All right, this is how we're gonna do it. I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word. This is how we're gonna do it. Let me open the chat. Let's see. Come on. All right. This is how we're going to do it. Everyone answer the question. I'm going to pick someone who's actively engaging. That's how we're going to do it. And I'm going to randomly pick someone like this in front of your face. I don't get accused of cheating. Every one of you, the 156 people watching, answer this question right now for a chance to win either my book. I'll send you this for free with a Bitcoin. You will get a physical Bitcoin, the book, shipped to you. And I will get my team to ship it out. I think tomorrow is Saturday. I think my team will ship it out tomorrow. One of these. So let's go. Or, if you don't want that, I respect it. Everyone that won this so far has been wanting the book. They've just been wanting the book. So that's what we're going to do. But here's the thing. I can't message you on YouTube. So you're going to have to DM me on IG. If I pick your IG name, you have to DM me on IG with your screenshot of your YouTube name. So I know it's you. So let's go. Answer that, and then I'm going to pick somebody. I'll wait. Okay, I have that ready to go. Let's look at some questions. Higher risk. John says higher risk. Super risky pullback is needed. Patel says risk go up because overextended. Risk management, Carlos says. Let's keep going. JM4, the furthest from a support level. Higher. Again, you have to answer it properly. You guys, some of you are answering it in 2 words. I said why. You have to follow directions. Don't like it. As Nvidia goes up, your risk goes up. Will fall faster. Risk is higher. Resistance. The more a stock is overbought. Correct. I love it. Everyone is on point. I didn't see a single person say the risk is low. Not a single person is saying that. Good job. By the way, if you're new and you don't know, well, welcome to the class. That's why it's called Portfolio Management Class. This is why you're here. This is your active class. You should be using, if you can't afford the book, well, guess what? Hopefully, I wish somebody wins it and chooses the book. Because, by the way, I respect that. I'm going to be honest with you. So far, 2 people have won this year, and they all picked the book. Which is awesome to me because they value learning more than anything else. One of the guys who won it said, Professor, I'll take a second book. So, boom. All right. So the answer is, before I say the answer, I'm going to say the answer and then I'm going to pick the winner. As Nvidia goes higher, your risk goes what? You are entering a lot of risk. The risk goes up when it comes to what? Losing money. Higher chance of it coming down. Your risk of making money goes down considerably. Why? I'm going to explain it to you right now. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go to a weekly. Screw it. Let's go to a monthly. I'm going to explain to you. Look at this. Right here. Look at this right here. This is, again, Nvidia on the monthly time frame. Rallied, pulled back. Sideways, rallied, sideways. Again, everyone should be on page 100. Everyone on page 100. Let's do the giveaway. I have the book, but I'll take it and give it to a watcher friend. Or Otterbox, I love it, bro. I appreciate that. That's a beautiful thing. I can't, if I didn't know about this book and someone gave this to me as a gift and I went through it and I started making money, in my opinion, I think that's the greatest gift anyone could give. It's just me. Even though I wrote it. Let me just give this away before I continue the lesson. I don't want someone saying, oh, he's stalling. He's not going to do it. Bro, please. All right, ready? I'm going to randomly do it and I'm going to stop my finger on it. Boom. This person here, I'm going to keep my finger on it. The winner is Ray Mizi. I can't zoom in. Right under Sal's. Risk goes up following risk management. Boom. Congratulations, my brother. Ray Mizi. And a picture, I can't tell what that picture is. Ray Mizi, are you in the chat? I need to knock this out right now. So I don't have to, people don't think I didn't do it. Ray Mizi. Ray Mizi, are you in the chat, my brother? Ray Mizi. Let's go. What I need you to do is take a screenshot of your YouTube, screen name as you're in the YouTube that pops up, and DM me on Day Trade Professor. I'll do it right now. And you have to, yes, I am. There you are. Congratulations, my brother. Appreciate you watching the content, commenting. What do you want? You want the crypto or do you want the book? What do you want, Ray? Let's go. Ray is here. By the way, if we get to 300 likes, I'll give away 2 books or $300 in MATIC crypto. Let's go, Ray. What do you want? Look, everyone's so supportive. I love it. I love it. Let's go, Ray. Meezy. What do you want? What do you want? And then screenshot it. Let me get this out of the way. Why aren't you guys more faster in this? Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. I'll take the book, please. Done. Ray, DM me right now on Instagram. I'll give you a code, a coupon code, that'll get you the book for free. DM me right now. DM me right now. And tell me when you have. Good job. Good man, by the way, Ray. Good man. I love the hardcover book. I got both books. Jeanette, you've been with me all the... Jeanette, do you... I think you do, Jeanette. Do you have the first edition, the second edition, the third edition, the fourth edition, the fifth edition? Janet? I think you do, for my memory serves me right. I love it. All right. So, point being, this is not worth the risk. This is not worth the risk. At all. Because it's already moved up too much. But... Did you not see what happened prior? With the video? Look at this. And I can keep going back. It's due time for a what? What is this in due time for? Just sent you a DM. Okay, I'll check it right now. What is it in due time for? And by the way, Ray, because a lot of people think everything on the internet is fake, scam, lies. I need you, when you get the book, to make a video of you buying the book, using this code to get it for free. I need you to do that, bro, for me. I need that because people won't believe it, unfortunately. And... I don't see a DM from you, Ray. Oh, there you are. And is it true? Is it him? Ray, I don't see your Instagram here. I mean, your YouTube, my brother. This could be anybody. I need you to take a picture of your YouTube on the top right, where it says your username, not from the chat. I need a better one. Send it. I need something better. I don't know. It could be another Ray. I don't want to. I want it to be definitive. It's you. Retracing for a pullback. Stage 4. Pullback. 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 Very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. That's the risk. So when it comes to long term, God bless. But why not get it cheaper? Why not get it cheaper? All right, next ticker. Let it be MATIC. I want to talk about. Oh, it's not MATIC yet. It's Tesla. Here we go. Ray sent another message. Ray, hold, yep, that's him right there. All right, here you go. Let me send you a code, and it'll be free for you. Guys, give me 30 seconds. Let me just get this out of the way. Physical edition of my book and my coin for free. Please, Ray, don't share this code with anyone. Well, it'll expire after you use it. Anyway, so it doesn't matter. Sent. Ray, as you about to buy the book, you can take out your address if you want, name if you don't feel comfortable, but can you make a recording of you actually doing it and it executing, and it says that you bought it and you got it for free, Ray? With your YouTube as well. If you could do that for me personally, I appreciate it. So people can believe it's real. Again, people think everything's fake. Everything is fake according to them. All right, Tesla. Let's go. So let me just quickly break down Tesla. I did, Ray. Thank you. No, thank you, my brother. I appreciate you. Without you, I wouldn't have this studio. I wouldn't have this show. I wouldn't have grown exponentially over the past 4 years. So I appreciate you guys. As much as you thank me, I'm thanking you. All right, here we go. What day did I do Tesla? Let's do a quick breakdown. Let me see. Tesla. The 10th, January 10th. January 10th? Okay, here we go. Let's go. So this is the breakdown when it comes to Tesla right here. Right here. Sideways, hit that level. You could have shorted it down to the next level and then it struggled here. Let's jump to the next day and see if it played out. Hit that level and look what happened. Look, and my levels for only the top. I didn't do this for the Thursday or whatever it is. Look at that drop on Tesla. Look at that further drop on Tesla. New traders, I told you this earlier. Palantir Technologies is great for a new trader to trade. Palantir. But when it comes to Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, stay away, new traders. Stay away. It's not worth the risk. That's what I would tell you. The risk is just not worth it. So let's go. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's analyze Tesla. By the way, if we get to 300 likes, if you guys actively share, I'll give away 2 books or $300 in crypto of my MATIC. Praise God, I made a little bit on MATIC. I made a whole video. I begged y'all to get in. So yeah. All right, let's go. Let's do a question on this one. Let's do a question. Ticker is Tesla on the daily time frame. Everyone, page 100. Let's go. Over 5, no, my team told me over 6,000 something now. We're at 6,000 sales on the book. So thank you everyone who got a book. Everyone, page 100 in the physical. Digital book, I don't know. Everyone, page 100. Sorry, 41. Sorry. Everyone, page 41 in the book. Let's go. Page 41, get into this. The question is, let's change the color. We've been on neon for too long. Question 1. What stage is Tesla on right now? Answer that. Let's go. And, of course, how do you know? Let's go. Everyone, flood the chat. Answer this. This is your digital interactive class. I got edition 1. Nicholas, wow. Appreciate you. You've been with me for a long time, brother. Thank you. Thank you for the continuous support. All right, let's go. Stage 4, Sal says. Jason says stage 4. Art says stage 4. Carlos says stage 1. Stage 4, stage 4. Let's go. Keep going. I should see a barrage of messages coming in. Wait for it to go sideways before entering stage, falling stage. Jaden, that means you don't got the book, Jaden. It's in the book, bro. Page 41. Page 41. All the answers are on page 41. Let's go. Go tell your mama, your brother, and your sister too. It's about to go down. Professor giving away books on our Thank you, Eric. Stage 4, stage 4, stage 4, stage 4. Clearly dropping down. Stage 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Look at you. We got imagine a lecture hall right now. By the way, welcome to the future, right? Only with tech, we're able to have 155 people. Imagine 155 seats. That's what I imagine, by the way. It helps me when I do lives. 155 people in front of my face, actively listening and watching. That's what's going on right now from your living rooms. By the way, I would appreciate all of you watching this on your big screens, computers, whatever. Record it. Send the video if you don't want to post on your stories. But post it. Tag it. You know what? I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. Let's go. Guys, you know what? Why not? 2023 was the best year trading, finance, everything for me. 2023. Praise God. I made a little bit. So why not? Listen up. Second giveaway. We'll just do it. By the way, clearly, if you're private, I will never know. You need to go public on your Instagram for 24 hours. And I need you to record you watching this. If you have the book next to you. So this is the rules. Listen up. Your Instagram have to be public for 24 hours. You have to have the book in front of you, physical or digital, on page, whatever page you want. Oh, with the cover like this. With the cover like this. With you listening and watching as I answer the question. Not now. Don't record now. As I explain this. And I will give away one person. I'll pick someone. I'll let it rock for a few hours. Tomorrow I'll pick the person. And I'll do it on my stories too. You could either win my book for free. I'll send you a link. Or $150 in MATIC. My MATIC, by the way. You're literally getting my profits. I'll just transfer that to you. You decide. You decide. How do I get the book? Come on, Jaden. Look at the bottom, bro. It literally says all available at daytradeprofessor.com. Everything's happening under me. My whole team created this massive graphic you see. Come on. By the way, do you guys think there's enough of my school logo everywhere? Do you think there's enough of this? It's here. It's there. It's under. You think I went a little overboard? You think I went a little overboard? Best teacher ever. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate that. So, if you're on the road, you're on the road. But for those of you, do that. By the way, did you get the book of Razy? What was his name? Let me make sure he got the book. Ray, did you get the book? Tell me in the comments if you were able to purchase the book. Make it happen. All right, so now, what stage? You guys got it right. We are on a... Let's go. Everyone, let's do it together. What stage is this? What stage is this? Let's go, page 41. Everyone, the answers are on page 41. Just like for those of you that were in college or probably took classes during the virus. Zoom. Same thing. Let's go. Let's go. What stage is this? Flood the chat. I should see a flood of one number. A specific number. Here we go. Let's go. Let's Ray doing it right now. Yeah, do it right now and listen to me. 1. Very good. This is stage 1. Is this where... excuse me. Is this where you want to buy or sell? Let's go. Tell me that. Is stage 1 where you want to buy or sell? Woo. By the way, when you get a book, you get this for free. Let's go. Now, more logos will keep you making more money. I love it, Patel. I love it. Oh, it's also on my blazer. I forgot about this. Buy. Woo! Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. If you're watching this pre-recorded, have the comments turn on. Whoa. Yo, I love this. You guys are motivation right here. This is when you buy. All right. What comes after stage 1? What stage is that? Well, this is obvious too. What do you do here? Buy, sell, or hold? Buy, sell, or hold? Tell me. Flood it. Buy, sell, or hold? What do you do? Remember when I used to flip the crypto coin? I used to flip it. That was a long time ago. I need that book. J Polo. Are you J Polo from Bronx? My Bronx brother? Are you that J Polo? Hold. Bow. Some people said buy. Ooh, we got a mix of people. Class is mixed right now. I see hold, buy, sell. Hold, buy, sell, take profits, hold. Damn. Buy. Oh, look at that. Wild. What a mixed reaction here. All right, I'm going to... That's why you're here. I will answer the question. Very simple, folks. The answer is hold. Now, here's the question. Why hold? Why is the answer hold? Why? Let's go. Answer that for me. Again, page 41. If you're lost, you're confused, page 41. Follow along if you're confused. Everything literally is two of the... You know why I'm giving away books? We got books everywhere. It's raining books. So, I appreciate everyone getting that. Let's go. Friday until resistance, buy, sell on 3, hold and trim. Get ready to pull the ripcord when you're stage 3. Hold, okay, very good. You hold because it's keep moving. But when it starts doing this, what comes next? Stage 3. What do you do on stage 3? Buy, sell, hold, trim. Man, this might be a multi-part answer. Multi-part answer. What do you do here? Buy, sell, hold, or trim? Let's go. This live might be a long live. Listen. Who was on the live I did that was like 7-8 hours long? We started at like 7 p.m. It ended at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard. Who was on that live? That live was the longest live ever. We were having the time of our life. As long as I have water, I can go on for as long as possible. That's all I run on. Sell. Don't buy because it can continue falling. Sell, trim. Look at that. I love the chat. Oh God. You know you picked the right life to live when it feels good right here. Just off of comments like this. Wild. I'm a blessed man. All right, very good. The answer is a two-part answer, so I'll say it straight. It's a two-part answer depending on your strategy. Me personally, if you follow the book, I'm selling. I like to take profits and reload. This is just me. This is my lifestyle. This is what I say. Just hit sell. I am not a special trader. I'm not the greatest. I am just someone that does one thing. I hit sell when it's uncomfortable to hit sell. I hit sell when it's in my favor to hit sell. It's that simple. That's all I do. I hit sell when I'm in the profits. I hit sell when I'm taking a loss. Stop loss. I have to hit sell. I have to get out. It could go against me. That's all I do. Literally, that's it. So me, I would sell. Now, if you believe that, it could keep going, I'm going to get FOMO. If you're one of those, cool. Trim. Take a quarter out, half off, 3/4, whatever the freak you want. And let the rest ride. I am in this game to make daily profits when I trade. When I trade, I need the money to fund my operations. I cannot wait 6 months, 6 years, 5, whatever your long-term portfolio you're swinging. I don't have time for that. Do you have any idea how many people work for me? I have to pay people salaries. I need the money now. I'm not sitting and waiting. That's just me personally. By the way, for those watching on the IG, how many people are watching over there? Why aren't y'all jumping on? What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Now, stage 4. What do you do here? Buy, sell, short. Tell me in the comments. Trim, I guess. What do you do here? Let's go. Stage 4 on Tesla right now. Buy, sell, trim, or short. And tell me why. Because my favorite color is black. But when it comes to trading, this is what's made me the most money. You see the studio that you all like? You see all these screens going down to the other side of the living room? Was bought by Red Candles. My chauffeur, bought by Red Candles. My team, I think I'm at 8, 9 people that work for me now. Bought by Red Candles. All right, some people said sell. Ooh. Sell? Okay. You're supposed to sell at stage 3. Once multiple candles start going sideways, that's enough. That's enough. One thing let me talk about. You know the new thing now is with this new studio. When I give lectures, I'm going to sit and give a lecture. So you know it's serious. You are in this game of trading to make money. You're in this game of trading to execute for yourself or your family to make money. There's no in-betweens here. That's what you're doing this for. To be able to provide another paycheck, as I call it. That's all it is. What the hell are you doing sitting and waiting for another number? Oh, it's going to go. You will never. It will never be enough. No dollar amount on the face of this planet will be enough. I need you to understand that. It is written in the Quran. It is written, give a man one valley of gold, he will want a second valley of gold. It is written by God through Gabriel, Archangel Gabriel, to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said it that it will never be satisfactory. So then just hit sell and deal with it. And over time, you'll deal with the pain, and the pain will get less and less and less. Just like heartbreak. Hand up if you've ever been heartbroken. Comment down below. Have you ever been heartbroken? Comment that. While your boy drinks some water. Oh, the logo's here too. Yo, Aladino's in the chat. Yo, Aladino, tell him how you won the book for free. You picked the book over crypto, and you paid for your nephew to come to the mentorship. Comment that. Yo, the logo's everywhere. I don't even know. It's wild. It's wild. Look at that. Yes, 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 yes. For all of you that have been heartbroken, here's my question to you. Here's my question to you. Did you not eventually heal from the pain? Did you not eventually get over the pain? Time is your friend. You just need to wait it out. Understood? In due time. Love the book, Professor. Thank you, guys. Guys, I appreciate every time you say nice things about the book, my classes. Like, it means the world to me. So thank you. Like, the amount of love in the comments is wild. You know, a question was asked, how do you know God loves you? How do you know? Humanity loves you. When humanity loves you, that means God loves you. God's like, oh, my servant's being good. Angels, go tell the people, be good to him. That's how you know God is happy with you. And boom. Boom. I was heartbroken on the day I got blocked. Sal, you're unblocked now, Sal. The more logos, the better. They will make it clear to the universe. 100%. I just subscribed to your channel and found out, Professor, 5 minutes in, got my attention, getting interested in the book. Afat, thank you, bro. Afat Kermili, appreciate it. So, you short this, you sell here, or if you don't believe in shorting, stay off. Stay off. But you make the money on the downwards. Make money up, make money to the downside. That's what you do. Remember, you can make money on both directions, long and short. Sal was so heartbroken, he DM'd me. Eric, you need logo on your shoes. No. Panic not. That's disrespectful. In my culture, shoes are a dirty thing. You don't put the thing that you love so much on the dirty thing. Like, you won't ever see it on the floor. By the way, I bought a crypto rug. A Bitcoin rug. It's coming. It's a big crypto Bitcoin rug. It's going to go right in the center of the floor. It's going to be right under the table. So you guys might not see it here, but you might see it on the Instagram Reels. We need GP to come on and lecture the watchers here. Yeah, I don't know how I would do it on a YouTube live, David. I have never done that. I don't know how that works. So now let's talk about this, right? Everything I teach you is actionable. The ticker is Tesla. I'm on the daily time frame. Horrible handwriting. Come on. My brother's a doctor, not me. I gotta have better handwriting. Tesla, Elon Musk, the software, whatever the hell you believe in. How about a tattoo, temporary? Nah, Eric. Bro, I'm going to be straight with you. If I could get one, a tattoo is the ink, the toxins, bioaccumulation, it's a sin. This, if you've seen Conor McGregor, the animal he has, would be like Superman. Yes, I would. It would be tatted here on my chest. It would be tatted big. Trust and believe. There will be one here. There will be one here. Best and believe. So point being, actionable. What you want is, let's pick the right color, because I'm going to give you the future content. Wait for a couple of candles to go sideways. Go back and find your level of support, a key level of support, key levels that I've been doing this whole week for you. Then buy in. Then get some. Tesla's not going anywhere. Elon is not, unless they assassinate him, but that's a different conversation. He says too much stuff that could get him in trouble and he doesn't care. Like, I get it. Cool, bro. Bro, don't you have like 10 kids? Your mom loves you? Don't you have like 7 baby mamas? Like, I don't get it. I get it, but I don't. He has all the money in the world to not care what anyone thinks. That's why when he went on the interview, he goes, F that person. I get it. But the elites will kill you. They will kill you. 180 likes. Bro, let's get it to 300. Come on. Got here from You just got here? What are you doing? Come on. How many people are watching on Instagram so far? How many people are watching? What time? It says it right here. Mendez? I literally wrote it on the board. Multiple. Keep that in mind. Boom. Professor, you should get a hat, which I don't wear hats. Salazar. Amilda, I don't really wear hats. That's not my, very rarely I would. Very rarely. But I am thinking about a swag box for 2025. I'm thinking of creating a swag box. Not you can't just buy it. It'll be part of the mentorship and a little extra. A little extra for the mentorship. It'll have my book signed, another one of my books, a Bitcoin, a t-shirt, this mason jar glass, not plastic, with the logo. It'll have this patch. I'll give you a patch. I'll give you 2 patches that you can put on your book bag. You can put on whatever you want. It's going to have a journal. I'll say it for the first time here, actually. I never released this, but I'm working on a trading journal. A custom trading journal, physical. I have a free trading journal link in my bio. It's free. Use it. But I'm working on a physical paper that every single person will get with the emblem, and on each page, entry, exit, all the stuff that you need to write will be there. Why you're taking that? Is it on VWAP, overextended? All that's, I'm working on that. So it's the first time I'm releasing that. That will all be part of the swag box. All of it will be part of it. Also, in the trading journal, in the back of it, will be a code, a QR code, so you can get the digital book for free. The digital book. I'm working on ideas. I'll do a hat too. I'll do a, is it here somewhere on the other side? Yeah, right there. Hold on. Actually, let me ask you guys. The hat's right here. Hold on. I could actually ask you because I'm thinking of ideas for the swag box. Just so you know, the swag box, you can't buy it unless you're a mentorship student. Everything, if you have, the only way you could wear this, have this, of something of mine, is you have to come to class. You can't be watchers. So like this, see the flag of America? This kind, a snapback. What do you guys think? Snapback, I think that's what it's called, with the school logo right here. What do you guys think? This will be part of the swag box. So I'm thinking of it for, I don't have the time this year. Maybe when I'm in Thailand, I can design all this actually. Thailand, I'm leaving for 3 months to become a professional Muay Thai fighter. So maybe I'll have a lot of time to work on the designs, finalize it. I'll finish it in the summer and then release it for 2025. So every mentorship will get that box. What do you guys think? Snapback or the typical hat? What do you got? No snap? No? Freddie says no? That hat, you know, I'm a hat guy. That's the 2020 hat. Yes, it is, Eric. Eric has a good eye. Snapback for sure. Need to have flex cap. What the freak is a flex cap? Never heard of that. Never heard of that. Flex hat. Oh, one of those? Well, you could do this, bro. You could turn it. You could eventually turn it and it'll become how you want it. You can have. Why? Who's texting me? Nina, get off the Instagram. Go on YouTube. I got people texting me. They're watching me on Instagram. Guys, get on Instagram. Get off and go to YouTube. What are you doing? Let's get the likes up. You know what? Forget 300. If we get 250 likes, I'll give away another book and another or MATIC. $250 of MATIC. Let's go. Share this with all your homies. Let me just get some advice. No high crown on the hats either. What's a high crown? I don't know anything about hats. The hell is that? High crown on hat. It doesn't tell me what the hell a high crown is. Oh, high crown hats. Oh, I don't know what the hell. They look like a regular hat to me. Yes, wow, that's cool. It's a stretchy hat. It is a stretchy hat. Fitted is fire. Put on the hat. No, it'll mess up my hair. I'm not putting on the hat. It'll mess up my hair. Fedora would be, oh no, not a fedora, Sal. It won't fit in the swag box. It has to, remember, everything I'm doing, I'm thinking swag box. The swag box will have my logo, a nice quote, the whole 9 yards. Professor, seriously, thank you so much for all you do. Great, hashtag grateful to have had the universe connect us. God connect us. Remember, I'm just a vessel for God to use to help other people. I'm blessed with a skill. I'm blessed with an ability to make money off the charts. And I'm giving that to you. But let's be realistic. I have an agenda. If you're consistent, you do well from the free course, you'll get the book, you'll come to my class, and then you'll live on campus get a place around my school in Puerto Rico, and then help me with my homeless charities, my philanthropic. I have a lot of stuff I do behind the scenes. A lot of stuff. The secret Instagram knows. I got something for the things I do for the years I've been doing it, but that's my agenda. So let's go. I'm done with Tesla. Next one. Let's go. How long has this live been going on? Woo! We've been live for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Look at that. All right. Next ticker. MATIC. Let it be a MATIC. Here we go. Let's go. All right. Get ready for the lecture on this one. Get ready for the lecture on this one. You guys see this? You guys see this? Who noticed something specific on the screen that you didn't see anywhere else? Who noticed that? The ticker's MATIC, by the way. Does anyone notice something specific on the screen that you didn't see on any other ticker? Let's go. What about a wallet? Ooh, that's a good idea. Let me write that down. Who said that? Who said that? Where'd it go? I lost the name. I lost the name. Hat for swag box. Thank you. Who noticed it? Let's see if anyone noticed it. The lines? Nope. 59 new era? What the hell does 59 new era mean? 59 new? I don't know what that means. Only one person got it. 2 people got it. The alerts. The alerts. Why do you think I have all these alerts, folks? Why do you think? Wifey saw me watching your live and she got me your book for Christmas. Much love from Ken. I love it, Esteban. That's a good wife. Wow. Now that's a good wife. Now that's a good one. She saw you watching my live, saw that I have a book and bought it for Christmas. Love it, Kansas City. Esteban, what a wife, man. May God bless you with success. Everybody, a good spouse that's like that, bro. I love it. The alerts. Also, a phone protector. No, that's a problem. A phone protector, the issue is Android, iPhone, the new updated 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 iPhone, Samsung Galaxy S Ultra 20. No, that won't work. iPhone wallet. Not everybody has an iPhone. And the alerts. I am in this. By the way, clear transparency. I am in none of the tickers except MATIC. These are my alerts to let me know constantly so I don't have to be glued to it. That's what it is right here. That's what it is. So I just wanted you to see that. You can set alerts and take your mind off of it. I'm in this position, but very small. So I can sleep peacefully. You got it, Martin. You got it. That's what it is. No, not about the lines. This is a swing trade that I need to actively watch, not just for myself, but also my secret Instagram. My mentorship students are, once you take the mentorship, you get put in the secret Instagram, and I'm constantly alerting when I'm selling, when I'm buying, what I'm doing, because I want them to get on it too. Cowboy belt, I don't wear belts. I don't wear a belt. If I don't wear it, I'm not going to give it. Like, I don't wear belts. So I'm not going to put it if I don't wear it. So let's talk about MATIC now. All right, how do we do this? All right, I need to clean all the lines. I'm not going to delete my lines. I'm not going to do that, but I'll just hide all the lines. All right, cool. So let's talk about MATIC. Let's go to a higher time frame because I do want to give a lecture on this. Before I give the lecture on MATIC, again, I am in this crypto coin. What else I was going to say? I did a video on this. By the way, excuse me, who watched the video of when I did MATIC and what was the average price? When I did the video, when I did a full live, just MATIC, and I said, everyone, MATIC is the coin. This coin is phenomenal. Look into it. See if it's for you. Someone tell me in the chat if you watched the live and what I said. Food bags to the cat rescue. Ooh, a tote bag. That's a good idea. Thank you, guys. Tote bag for swag box. I'm down. In New York, you're not allowed to have plastic bags in the stores anymore. Might as well have your own tote bag. All black, super black, with the logo on it. Hell yeah. Yo, you guys are just great. Guys, give me more ideas. I like the wallet idea. I like that too. Just subscribed on YouTube, found you on IG. This is my first time watching, and I'm already looking forward to learning with your course. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you, said. Yeah, free course, daytradeprofessor.com, bro. Don't get scammed. All the fake accounts asking you for crypto. Don't send them any crypto. Path to consistency, Stanley. It's big with the ladies these days. 58 and glass clots. Keychain. No, I don't use keychains. I don't use keychains. My house is all fingerprints and pin codes. Again, if I don't use it, I don't want to give it. Eyeglass cloth? What the hell is an eyeglass cloth? No, I don't wear eyeglasses. 55-ish, 53 then, 49 cents, 55, 50, 60, 51 cents. I just looked it up on my journal. Thank you, Matt. It was around the 51 cents that I begged y'all. Let me find it. Can someone go back and find the date of the... Oh, I have it right. What am I doing? I have my phone right here. There's a reason why I'm doing that. Hold on. Okay, was it alive? It was alive. My number one altcoin 3 months ago.
Seconds, I promise. Hold on.
What's the date?
2 seconds.
January 12th, 2024. January 12th. No?
Oh my god, I gotta type in this code. Hold on. 58.
It doesn't say the date. It just says 3 months ago. Sacre bleu. September, October, November, December. Oh, right here. So let's talk about it. Nope, too dark. Again, everyone, follow along. Page 1. Page 1. The professor chewing gum, it'll make you smarter. Oh man, that's a good idea. I actually don't really, but I have this organic gum with no aspartame, no GMO, none of that stuff that causes brain cancer. That's a good idea. But some people are allergic to things. I don't need problems. Stage 1. I told you all to buy it within this vicinity. Within this vicinity is a full video office socks. Let me look into that. I like that. No, feet. That's dirty. No, I don't want my logo on the feet area. Nah, not the feet. No shoes. None of that stuff. Team mug. Yeah, you guys are getting this. You guys are going to get us class. I'm trying to get a company to make a stainless steel one so it never breaks. Because this, I have students in New Zealand. Somebody's flying in from New Zealand soon. This might break. And what's the point? That ruins the mood. I'm working on a company to do stainless steel ones. So let's see on that. Stage 1, stage 2, and now it's been just choppy. I think it went to $1.09-ish. And now it's on a stage 3, it's battling it out here. When we go over Bitcoin, you'll see it. You guys are just giving me ideas, I love it. Motorcycle bandana, neck gaiter, I don't know what a neck gaiter is. Cookies, yeah, mentorship students, I take them to cookies anyway. A backpack. I don't wear backpacks. It has to be something I use. A scarf. I do wear scarves. I have to look into that. That's actually a good idea. That's a good idea. Scarf. By the way, everything will be black. That's my favorite color, just so you know. Scarf. Logo. Swag box. That's a good idea. All right, we're at 200. Once we get to 250 likes, I'm giving away another book or 250 in crypto, or 2 books. Why not? Watches with the logo? No, everyone is very specific on their watches. A Yeti mug? I don't use Yeti mugs. Professor Bretman's? No, that's just going to be, somebody might have allergic reaction. Bracelets? I don't wear bracelets. I could do stickers. Yeah, I'm going to give you a patch. You're going to get a patch and a sticker. Correct. Bracelets, I don't do that. You should do gym accessories. I have gym active wear. Athletic pants. Pens? Yes. Good idea. Pens, logo, swag box. A ring? No. My ring is plain. Motorcycle bandanas? No, Sal. Neck gaiter? What is a neck gaiter? Oh, that's fire. That's fire. Huh. I'll look into it. That's actually fire. Thank you, everyone. A beanie? I don't wear beanies. Winter hat? Why not? Why not? It's gonna be. No hats. No weenie. Because here's the thing. Everything I'm doing now is for Puerto Rico eventually. You don't need beanies in Puerto Rico. So no. Pins? Mm-mm. Blanket? Mm-mm. Microfiber for dirty laptops? I like that. I like that a lot. A lot of students come to the New York class with dirty ass screens. Microfiber for screen. Swag box. Travel pillow? No. Oh, of course, Matt. It'll be on my shorts and my Muay Thai gloves. Of course. Hoodies? No. Lip balm? No. Beach towel? No. Soccer balls? No. Notebooks? I already said notebooks. Yeah, you're going to get a custom one. I'm designing a custom trading journal for the mentorship students for 2020. This is all for 2025. Laptop case? No. David, you could slap on. Everyone, I already told you this. At the mentorship starting this next week, in 2 weeks, we have the next mentorship. Everyone gets a sticker they could put on their laptop screen. Everyone's going to get that from now on. That's immediately. I bought 5,000 of them. All right, let's get back to the lesson. Forget it now. No more. No more. Let's get back to the lesson. MATIC is on a stage 3. You see this right here. Straight out of the book. Now, here's the factor. One, two, three, four. Yes, this could go on a stage 4. Of course. High probability? Of course. But what's the other factor that might make this go much higher? Let's see who pays attention, reads the book, and is active. The question is, yes, stage 4 is likely. Not arguing that. But there's something else at play that might cause this to rocket ship. Tell me in the comment section. Let's go. I might need to have 2 bottles of water now. We're already running low here. Swimming trunks, only I have those, Esteban. Only I have. The issue with swimming trunks is size, bro. Women's sizes, men's sizes. I wear everything fitted to my tailor fits them. When I'm in Puerto Rico, you guys are going to see the shorts in Puerto Rico. I have those actually. Sandro's in the building. Guys, you see Sandro Reyes? You will be seeing him at the Thailand mansion. He already booked the Thailand mentorship. He's also taking Muay Thai classes with me. So I love it. Sandro will be living in the mansion. So see that name, Sandro Reyes? Love it. Sandro, you're Cuban, right? Cuban? I know you converted to Islam. So welcome to the religion, my brother. I love it. We're going to get close. We'll have late night conversations after trading is over. I'm buying a big projector, 150-inch screen for the Thailand mentorship. It's going to be fire. These are the classes I've been waiting for so long. I enjoyed the long ones from before, and I enjoy it even more now. Thank you, Dustin. Let's see some of these answers. More people coming in the market? Not exactly. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. You got it. Very good. Very good. You guys got it. That's the factor here. The factor here is the Bitcoin ETF. This is the anomaly. In a regular situation, I would say yes. I would exit the position. It's done. That's it. Boom, boom, boom. But there's an anomaly now here. Remember, trading isn't black and white. Trading is all gray, and the anomaly is what? The Bitcoin ETF. Remember, I know the media thinks crypto's a scam, Bitcoin's a scam. People say Bitcoin did. I know, I hear it. I hear it. The whole thing with the what's the guy Sam Bankman-Fried and what's wrong with my memory right now? What was his exchange? That FTX. When that whole thing happened, you know how many people came to me? Oh, how's your God? How's your FTX God? He's going to jail. See, I told you crypto was a scam. I said, what are you talking about? I don't care about FTX or any of that stuff. That's a singular entity. Crypto is universal as a person. Where's my Bitcoin? The people control Bitcoin. It's in their hands. Satoshi Nakamoto created it because of what the governments are doing, overprinting. They wanted to put the power in your hands. So this is the thing I don't understand with people fascinating. Everyone goes against it. We're in the 40,000s now. We were just recently in the 20,000s. And now we're in the 40,000s. When we get in the 50s, the minute we get into the 70,000, we break 69,000, the resistance prior, get in the 70s and 80s. That's when everybody and their mother, can I buy now? Oh, I'm buying now. Yeah, God bless, bro. Human beings live a cycle of suffering. They constantly repeat this. I'm giving a lecture. What did I say? Every time I give a lecture, sit down and look at the camera and zoom in. Human beings live a cycle of suffering. What do? They do the same thing again and again and again, and they think they're going to get a different result from that action that they're doing. They're repeating themselves. That's all they do. And then what happens eventually? Oh, professor, my grandma said the stock market's a scam because my tío lost a lot of money. Tío means uncle in Spanish. Lost a lot of money. Or my tía means aunt in Spanish. Lost. So now, that's it. It's a scam. I don't believe. Okay, cool. The family put in Bitcoin. Let's try crypto this time. Oh, we lost a lot of money. Oh, we bought it at 64,000. And look, it's a scam. It's at 16,000 now. Whose mother told you to buy it in the 60,000s? How many of you remember the live I did when Bitcoin was rallying into the 60s? That's where I sold all my Bitcoin. And I bought my electric motorcycle for those that remember. Some be like, oh, he's never posted it. He doesn't have one. Bro, you're never going to see the nice things I own, ever. Nor should you want to. How brainwashed are you? How brainwashed are you? Who watched that live where I said I'm selling and the comments got wild? Oh, that's a bad mistake. Why would you sell? It's going to 100,000. I said, bro, I bought it at 12,000. I bought my Bitcoin at 12,000. I'm selling in the 60s. That's enough. That's enough. I got things to buy I like. Eric remembers. Thank you, Eric. Art says, I saw. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Many of you live in fantasy worlds. You buy when everyone's selling. You're buying when everyone's selling. I'm selling when majority are saying, let's go. That's when I'm selling. How much longer are you going to suffer this repeated cycle? How much longer? You know, it'll be so much cooler. You know, Brad, now in the last podcast, Bradley, good friend, smokes the cigars. For me, I'm a tip of water, reverse osmosis, or my vitamins, the orange stuff you see. How much longer? Why do I keep putting the cap back on? Because it might spill. That's why. For someone say, why do you keep putting the cap on? My ass will slap it. Suffering doesn't, listen, the Buddha said, life is suffering. But for you to get out of suffering and reach nirvana, you need to see what's causing suffering, take it out, and that will stop the suffering for that particular thing. Your suffering is caused by you not believing in yourself to buy it at right prices. Oh, I'll buy it when it gets to this level. God bless. That's the only words I have for you. God bless. So MATIC, as you can see, like I said, is in that anomaly stage right now with this. Right there. You see what I'm saying? It's in that stage right now. It's at a straight anomaly because of this. But in a typical reality, I'm out. I'm out. And if you want to take some off, you're more than welcome to. So that's the breakdown with MATIC, as you can see. A lot of undecisiveness here going on. You see the wicks, the body. Again, this time, page 100, physical book. Page 100 if you want to understand what's going on here. All right, next ticker. This might be a long live. We're at 1 hour and 44 minutes. 1 hour and 44 minutes. All right, next ticker. Mara. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Look at that. Let's go to daily time frame. Oh, I'm about to give a lecture on this. By the way, if you have been following me and you know, what price did I tell everyone about Mara? Flood the chat. What price did I tell everyone about Mara to get ready before it explodes? What price? Let's go. Let me see if Ray got the book.
I just won on YouTube, daytradeprofessor.com. I chose the book as the prize, and here I am. You gave me the DM, put it in the cart. You guys see it's free, zero. There's the code, but he said it's going to expire after I use it. And just so you guys know that it's me, I think he said to show my YouTube.
Look at that.
We're watching him right now live, and this is my...
Yo, this video needs to be a reel. Yo, Ray, send that full video, bro. I can't download it. Send that full video, please. Ray, send that full video. What a video. This guy is good. The right person won. The right person freaking won that book. Shout out to you, Ray. Please, I hope you got the video, Ray. The full video. Like, send that again, Ray. Wow. Praise God. Praise God. People keep... Instagram people, I know the comments are off. Humans. I've said it a million times. Get off the Instagram and go on the YouTube live. I'm talking to the YouTube people. YouTube, get off. Of course I know the comments are off because I can't see your comments. Yo, Ray, please tell me you have that video because you sent it as a temporary video. It's gone. I need that video. That video is phenomenal. I'm going to turn that into a freaking reel. So, Mara, right there. 776678789 $7, $7.50. I told y'all to buy this crypto mining stock, Mara, in the 7 and 8s. It went all the way into the high 30s. All the way into the high 30s. 30s from the 7s. Your job is to take the profits. Your job is to take profits on weakness. Yes, I'll send it over. Oh, you the man, Ray. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Ray. Ray, do me a favor. Don't send it right now. I'm going to drop you a Dropbox link. I'm going to drop, you know what? Guys, give me 1 second. I want a high quality version of that. Ray, hold on. Don't send it yet. Let me give you my Dropbox link. I need the high quality version of that because that is fire. That video was well done. You're a professional, maybe. I bet you are. Call it Ray video. Ray, I'm going to give you the link. Just share it. Drop the video in here, Ray. And send. If you can, Ray, drop it in there for me. The quality will be much better. Thank you, Ray. Secret to the universe. So now if you notice, let's see who's paying attention. If you bought this, let's say you put $20,000 in Mara at $7 and you sold, let's just say it went in the 30s. Let's say you sold it, the 30,000 in the, let's say $30. How much did you make? Let's see. I know my traders can't do math. But let me know. If you put $20,000 in Mara, when I told you to at $7 when the stock was, and you sold at the 30s or anywhere in the 30s, how much would you be up? Can't wait to buy again in the next one. Let's go, David. David knows. Someone tell me the math. Let's go. Let's see. I missed the video. Bro, if you're late, just sit back and wait. What do you want me to tell you? If you're late, sit back and wait. Let's see. Let me do it too. How much would you be up? Write the number. If you bought $20,000 at $7, you sold at $30, how much would you up? I got the money right here. How much would you be up? 65K, 100K, 85K. Miguel got it. You would have $85,000. Now let's minus your original investment of $20,000. minus your 20,000 that you worked for, that's your money, your profit would come out to total profit is $65,714 in a span of how much time? In a span of 1 month. Tell me in the comment section, speak freely, how long does it take most of you to make $65,714? Is that not more than the average salary of an American? Yet you made that in a month? Drop in the comment section. Let's go. How long does it take you? I'm talking about you personally, depending on what part of the world you're in. How long would it take you to make $65,000? And by the way, you did nothing. Year salary. Keep going. Let's go. Let's go. 6 figures. Yeah, it is. Well, that's not 6 figures. 85,000 is not 6 figures. It would take D Wolf 3 months to make that. Cake 2 years, 1 year, a year. Keep going. Keep going. Let's see. Let's see what the 2 years art says. Let's see. We'll do it right now. We'll do it live. What is the average salary of an American? $60,575 is the average American salary. That's more than a 1-year average salary of an American. You made it a month by just putting in $20,000 in a crypto mining stock. Do you know who also bought this at low prices? Flood the chat. Let's see who's a loyal or who knows what I say. Who was also buying this when I told you they were buying this? Guys, I said this blank is buying this. Flood the chat. Who else is buying this? By the way, we are 39 likes away. 39 likes away from someone winning either $250 in crypto or 2 of my books. You could take all 2 and give one to your friend. Boom. Or your mother. Give one to your mother. Tell your mother I said hi. BlackRock. David, I love it. David's the man. David's the man. BlackRock has been aggressively buying this at the cheap prices that I was begging y'all to buy this. The $1 trillion asset management company that is the true controller of things behind the scenes. When you wonder why Disney's pushing this agenda that they're pushing, it ain't Disney. It's the people running the show on top of Disney pushing an agenda to control you, to manipulate you. Listen, lecture time. I'm going to get in trouble, but I'm going to talk in code. There are bigger players at play manipulating and controlling you that you cannot imagine. If you think the United States President, Biden, has any say on anything, you are smoking the good stuff. You are high off the good stuff. That man has no control over nothing. He's a controlled puppet with strings attached to him in every part of his body. I'm not saying TRUMP wasn't either. TRUMP, of course, but he had a lot of strings cut. How do you know this? When the media demonizes you, when the media works actively to prevent you, to make you as the villain of the story, you must be the good guy. When the one person is being destroyed his name in every part of the world, you know that he's the person you should follow. Always do the opposite of what majority are telling you. The health department, the health ministry, whatever the hell you want to call it in America, says steak is bad, butter is bad, but you know what? Cereal is good for you. GMO, glyphosate, sugar, every toxin known to man, that's good for you. But a grass-fed organic steak is not. That's when you know what the agenda really is. When you're busy eating bugs and crickets, and Charles Schwab is patting you on the back for a good job, you are the puppet. You have been manipulated and you've been controlled. And when they shut it all down in 2030 and you wonder what I was lecturing on, we got 6 years. We got 6 years. Wait till time comes and you're going to wonder why you didn't take this seriously. You're half asleep. That's why I call you watchers. That's why Sal was blocked easily. I'm trying to wake him up for the sake of his son, for the sake of his wife. But he'd rather sleep and look at everybody else's live and content. But he wants to stay asleep. Especially the art and whoever else said they're blocked as well. More of you will be blocked eventually. More of you will be blocked eventually. It's just a matter of time when my team will eventually block you, watchers. For example, we had 215 likes. We got a few more to go. I did a morning reel video every morning for you guys, Monday to Friday. My levels hit. And then when the market closed, I did a breakdown of exactly what happened. And guess what? The first video got 100 something views the first day, and then the second 80, and then like 50, and then like 4, like whatever. The comments died. You care so much to learn, but you won't actively engage with the content, so then you won't get the content. You'll get other stuff. And you wonder why. But I know if I bought a Lamborghini and rode around in an Aventador for like a month, thousands of, good job, whoa. But the thing that makes you money to be able to get the stupid ass, if you're into Lamborghinis, God bless, I don't care. That thing you don't care enough to push up? You have the power. Why is Disney losing billions of dollars? Because people say, I'm tired of the woke agenda. You have the power to control content. You think my algorithm, when I'm scrolling to see what the people are doing, I don't see stupid ass dance videos anymore. I click the 3 dots, not interested. Don't show me this. When they show me half naked chicks, 3 dots, don't show me this. You're not influencing me. I'm giving a lecture. I should be sitting. My bad. I follow 10 people. 8 of them are muted. Why? Because what they like and comment on shows up on my feed. I think the most I've ever followed was 50, 40. I had to unfollow because I'm like, whoa. They're liking weird stuff. Because it says it. This person liked it. I'm like, I don't want to see this garbage. It's being used to manipulate you. You're being programmed. You're being programmed by your phone. You are literally being updated every time you go on your social media, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and you're doom scrolling. You are downloading a program that put in by the Matrix to make you this way. How do you not see that? It's so simple in front of your face. That's why when they push their stupid ass videos, I immediately 3 dots, not interested. I don't know what the new trending dance moves are. No clue what the trending dance moves are. Absolutely none. Because I immediately get rid of it. Whenever a stupid song comes up, 3 dots, do not put this in front of my face. You know, it's funny. Someone messaged me the other day. She lives in Singapore. She's one of my students. She's coming to one of the mentorships from Singapore. She goes to me, I know you're Muslim. I'm like, yeah, I actively talk about it. It's not a secret. She goes, no, it's because almost every video that I see, because she's active on my page. So when you're active, Instagram shows you me more. It pushes up the algorithm. She says it says liked by Day Trade Professor. And it's religious content, motorcycle content, cookies, that kind of content. She goes, it's funny because the stuff that's coming from you, I like it. Like it's changing my perspective on things. And I like, just by, see what I'm saying? From what I like, the algorithm is showing it on her platform in Singapore. The people you follow matter. I keep telling you, one mentor, one strategy, one God. I keep telling you, you need to get in line or you will be put in line. You see the sheep that are just corralled into a one corner for slaughter. You're all being cornered into slaughter eventually. You know, it's funny. As a Muslim, you can Google this. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he left sayings, he left his hadith, he left his, basically judgment day, apocalypse, qiyamah, whatever you want to call it. He left and told us the signs. Many of the signs, you can Google it, signs have come true. One of the signs that is recently starting to come true, he said that people will just randomly start dropping dead. People will just start randomly dropping dead. What does that sound like? That's been happening recently. Healthy people just had a brain aneurysm. Healthy people just randomly had a heart attack. We're getting close. I'm not saying we're ending tomorrow, next week, next month. Nobody knows that. All I'm saying is your health comes first. Be ready to become mobile. I've traveled most of this planet. I know exactly where to go if things hit the fan. I know exactly where to disappear to. Exactly where. And I'll be fine. Because trading will provide that income. Crypto stock market, forex market is not shutting down. Keep the videos coming. Morning. No, they're done. They're done. They're not coming anymore. They won't be back till maybe February, March. I'm just being honest. If you don't engage, I'm gonna stop it. What don't you understand? There's rules to this game. You care enough, comment, drop a heart, drop an emoji, say good job. I love this. These are my levels, Professor. What do you think? That's all you have to do. I make the video, I do all that. Your job is to drop something that'll take 6 seconds, a like, share. You can't do that, then the videos are gone. Good luck, they're not coming. What do you think about the secret algo? Bro, do me a favor. I'm kicking you off the live. You're annoying. You're super annoying. Bye-bye. Matt T, my bad, you're just annoying. I'm talking about something, talking about secret algos. Bye. See you. Watchers. Swear to God. I'm talking about something else. He's going off about secret things. Secret algos. I don't give a crap about the secret algo. You're going to become a secret soon. So point being, wake up. That's what I was saying. Look at how much this one stock that I begged y'all. By the way, my whole family got into this. It's funny. I'll tell you a story. I'll tell you a story about this. I told all of you, and when I tell you, I tell my dad, my cousins, my uncle. My dad told all of his colleagues. He's an engineer. He told all his colleagues at his job. He goes, my son said, get this. They got in at like 650, 675. And I asked them last week, I said, what's the thing? They said, when it was in the 30s, he's like, they're in it in the 30s. Nothing made my day more than hearing that. Nothing made my day more than hearing that story. Just 20,000. And now imagine 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Now here's the question, because again, everything I teach is actionable. Guys, we are 30 likes away from someone winning another 2 books. 2 books if they want. We're 30 likes away. How the hell are we at 219 and 177 viewers? I guess people are liking and leaving. Or liking from multiple accounts. I don't know. Here's the question. Pay attention. I'll write it here. This is the question. No, I'll just say it. I'm not writing it. Now, let's say this was you. Oh, let me just ask. Hands up. Don't say the dollar amount. Evil eye. Hands up if you made money off of this Mara when I told you. You bought here and you sold anywhere. I don't care where you sold. I care less. But you're in the profit. Type in the comment section. Type in the comment section if you made it. Professor is a man of his word and integrity. Of course, he expects that from his students and anyone following him. That is what a leader does. So if you don't agree with him, then he is not for you. Exactly. Wait, Eric, why are you saying that? What was said? I appreciate it, but what was said? I'm trying to go back in the chat. Don't talk about, keep the videos, I don't know. Just say it again. Say what again? Does your book help with Forex? Technical analysis works with stocks, crypto, and Forex. It's the same. It's the same. But my suggestion to you, Alf, is this. Stay away from Forex. Do stocks, do crypto, do Forex later. Too much margin use. It's very tempting. The unregulated brokers, the amount of scammers using unregulated brokers to control everything, to make you think they're making all this money. Oh, don't get me started. Give 2 books to 2 people? We could do that. We could do that too. I'm down. Off topic, but if someone has just started on the trading journey with low funds, would you recommend prop firms? If so, which ticker? Sana, I can't comment on something I don't know about. I don't know about prop firm stuff. One of my mentorship students in the mentorship group chat, she knows, I don't know. I have made someone Mara. Let's go. Drop it, drop it, drop it. So now here's the question. If you made money on this stock, what is the next step you're supposed to do with your profits? Flood the chat. Flood the chat. I got some of my daughter's portfolio in at 9, out at 17. Let's go, Outer Box. Otter Box. Let's go. Good man. Good man. Keep going. What would you do now with the profits? What are you supposed to do next? Let's go. The chat has quieted down. Why? There's 173 people. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pull the profits, reinvest, get ready for another stage 1. Mr. Tao. Mr. Tao with the answer, my brother. Mr. Tao got it. You are going to wait for a stage 1. Your job is to wait for this to Your job is to wait for a stage 1. And do it all over again. That's it. That is all I do. That is all I do. Nothing more special. I rinse and repeat. I rinse and repeat. Nina says invest it in a different stock. Well, yeah, that too. That too. God bless. That too. You can do that too. Oh, that's cool. Nina, how you got that infinity logo there? That's fire. That's what caught my attention, the infinity. How the hell did you do that? That's cool. Cool. Nina, can you DM me? How the hell did you do that? I want to put something like that on mine, an infinity. I like that. Wait to get back in. Be patient. Reload. Reinvest 100%. Wait for the stage 1. Your give back will always. People, you should always do this. Number 1, pay the bills. Number 2, give to mom, then dad. Number 3, help homeless. Number 4, reinvest. This is what you should be doing. Because this is what I do. This is what I do. Pays the bills, because my bills just keep getting bigger and bigger. And my expenses is a better term, right? Because as you can see, none of this was cheap. This is all I do. That's all I do. Advice for the newbies. Alf, very simple. Again, everything is coming at the bottom. I don't get it. Everything says at the bottom. Free trading course, then the book, then come to the mentorship. That's all you do. Everything, that's the formula. That's the formula. Boom. All right. That is MATIC. Nope, it's not MATIC, sorry. Mara. That is Mara. Let's go to the next ticker. XRP. Let's go. XRP. So if you could get XRP, God bless, but they banned New Yorkers from getting XRP. Here's the thing. I like XRP. Don't get me wrong. But lately, let me zoom in more. My issue with XRP is this. I do like it. Don't get me wrong. I like it. I'll teach you at the class. At the class. Nina, you coming to which mentorship? Which mentorship are you coming from? I got 8K XRP. Nice. My issue is this. The downtrending. Actually, let me ask the question. What do you notice here that makes this of a stock? Let me use, what am I? I'm a professor saying because I don't want to say the answer. I'm going to accidentally slip by giving too much. There's something going on here that I'm not a fan of right now. What is that? What is that? Let's go. What is it? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? By the way, can someone check on the Instagram? How many people are watching? Should be like 3. Jesus. It should be bloody 3. I don't want to hit the smart part. It should be 3 bloody people watching. Let's go. Let's see who give me the main reason. What is XRP doing that I'm not a fan of? I'm almost out of water. You know what that means. Now I'm completely out of water. So that tells me I need to bring 2 of these bad boys. Or let me just get a bottle and I can put it in there. We can do that. Bigger the base, the higher low. Descending triangle, downward, no highs. Making low, sell. I can buy XR, I can't buy. The wicks. There you go. Who said that? Sana got it. What have all these wicks tried to tell you? If you have my book, you should know the answer. Again, let me make it clear, because I kicked out that guy who kept saying the secret ghost or secret in the thing, whatever the freak he was talking about. That I kicked. He was so annoying. He kept bringing that up. I saw it, but I'm talking right now. I'm giving a lesson. I don't give a crap about no secret ghost in the thing. What you're learning right now is how I make money, not your other mentors. This is from my book that I wrote. Everything is singular. One mentor, one God, one strategy. Everything is singular to the one. You go learn from 5 different people and see how that works out for you. It's that simple. One mentor, one strategy, everything's singular in life. You cannot be put into other directions when everything is singular. But you guys got it. Undecisiveness. Very good. Weakness, indecisiveness, no clear, there's too much of that. I don't want that. What do you want when you're trading something? Tell me in the comment section. What do you ultimately want when you're trading something? And I know YouTube doesn't take you off the video. They just prevent you from commenting. So I'm sure you're practically watching, whoever that guy was, Matt, whatever your name was. You can keep watching. But this is my classroom. There's 175 people right now. If one clown or a squirrel makes too much noise, you're bothering everybody else. I don't have time for it. I'm a 36-year-old man doing this for 11 years. I don't have time for childish, moronic behavior. Very good. Clear direction. You want clear direction. That's what you want. So as of now, look at all this. Chop. Undecisiveness. I don't like it. That's all I have to say. That's all I have to say about it. That's all I have to say about it. Boom. Next one. MRO. Aladino, this one is for you. You posted this. I got you. All right. So if you notice, MRO has nice moves, clear trends. Oh, I said the answer. I wanted to ask that question. It's too late. Still ask it. I already gave the answer. All right. Ooh, this is actually a really good example. This is actually a really good example to talk about. I'm ready. What do you notice about MRO? What does it keep doing? I'll write it. In this chart, what do you notice? Let's go, flood it. Message you on Instagram or where? You can only message on Instagram. Nina, strategic professor. What does that mean, Nina? I don't know what that means. Nice moves, clear trends. Trend turning bullish because, okay, something else. Keep going. Yeah. It has clear trends. Yes. But not that. Not that. Something very specific I'm asking for. What does it keep doing? The stages, yeah, you're close. That's a good hint. I'll give you that. Something with the stages. Yeah, lower lows and all that. Yeah. Something else. It has to do with the stages. What stage does it keep failing? What stage does it keep failing? There, I gave you the question. It keeps failing a stage. Which one? It's on a stage 4, but what is it trying to keep making? Failed. 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 This is a phenomenal question now. Sorry, not a question. I already asked a question. This is, I love when the chat goes like that. This is amazing because here's the case. This is lecture time. Lecture time. Is anything in life 100% guaranteed? This is how it's going to be perfection. Is anything like that? Let's go. Flood the chat. I better see 181 people. We're at 225 likes. We are 25 likes away from 2 people winning the book. Why not? Why not? Why not? We'll do it. Damn, we've been live for 2 hours and 15 minutes. I like it. I like this new studio, man. Look at this. I'm looking at the studio right now from the other angle of the camera. I love it. Yo, my video designer killed it. Brought a new guy on the team. Killed it. Looks so cool. Guys, what do you think of that? Forget the screen, but what do you think of the globe, all that? What do you think of that? It's all gray. No. Very good. It's all gray. It's all gray. Before I go deeper into that, just a quick thing. What do you guys think of the globe spinning? All of that. What do you guys think? Let me know, because I have a new video graphic designer. New guy brought on the team. He's really good. He's impressive. His name is Ian. What do you guys think? Anything different it could do? He's designing a lot more. What do you think? Sharp fire. Give me some critiques. What do you like exactly? What don't you like? I just want to know. I know I went a little on a tangent, but I just noticed. This is such a blessing, man. I appreciate every one of you that watches and supports, because I love doing this. I'm going to be straight with you. Morning videos, super annoying. I short penny stocks. I hate waking up that early to make the damn videos. I don't want to. Like, honestly, I don't want to. But the lives I want to do. Nice, but put more ticket running. What does ticket running mean? Background is great. Thank you. It's beautiful. Sweet background. Thank you. Okay, cool. Great. Good. Look sharp. Movement clear. Okay, cool. Thank you, guys. Makes the wording with as outline with black so it stands out. Make the wording with as outline. What the hell does that mean? Boom. Little busy in the left corner. Well, yeah. It's the globe spinning. Because I'm worldwide. I have students worldwide. The point of that, I told them, was I have students worldwide. My logo is taking over the world, meaning I am taking over the world. That's what that represents. That's what that globe represents. The earth spinning like that. Boom. Really want to buy more of those glass mugs? Really want to buy one of those glass mugs, Professor? Yeah. You all should be drinking from glass or stainless steel, not plastic. And you can't buy any of my merch right now. And even when time comes, time to buy, you have to be a mentorship student. There's no way I want a watcher walking around with my school's emblem on them anywhere. Hell no. Hell no, not a watcher. Never. That goes against what I believe in. So now back to the lecture I was going to give. Ready? Nothing in life is perfect. We want our trades to be perfect. I took 5 trades this week. I believe I took one daily. 4 winners, 1 was a loss. Was I pissed about the losing trade? Yeah, of course I was. I'm never going to deny that. Of course I was pissed. But then I'm like, wait, your rest of the week was good. You're green for the week. You followed the plan? Yeah. Did it hit your stop loss and you got out? Yeah. What are you pissed about? Valid. Don't ever expect it to all go in your direction. You don't even want that. The yin and the yang, the good comes with the bad. You get what I'm saying? For example, you see how I'm doing the live and I'm appreciating all of you. We've had so much love in the comment section. You see all that, right? All that love. We haven't had a single hater, not a single person saying nonsense, not one. God bless. But in the past I have, in my early days, there was always some moron ready to attack about nonsense. Literally. In the early days, I would drop a video, it would be filled with hate. And I'm like, this is just a video. This literally, back then, the free course was the only thing I sold. There was no books, there was no mentorships, it was just a free course. People still had something negative to say. You can't please everyone. Nothing will work out. No one will always like you. People, my haters are watching this right now. I got watchers watching this, stealing this, rewording this to create content with it. They do these things. This is what they do. It's okay. I had someone DM me the other day, Professor, this person is All the things you do is doing the same thing now. It's all good. I don't know what anyone's doing. I trade in a bubble. I live in a bubble. I don't know what most of society's doing. That's just how I choose to live my life. Do you get what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to tell you. So keep that in mind. Nothing is perfect. And this MRO is a perfect example. Why? Page 41. After stage 1, what are you supposed to do? You're supposed to buy. Why? Because stage 2 starts. Stage 1 failed. Stage 1 failed. Stage 1. This was the longest stage 1. Look how long this is. Failed. Went up, came down further. Here's the thing. When I dropped my MATIC trade video, when I did a full live, you can go check it out. It's called number one crypto altcoin. When MATIC was 50 cents, 54, 55, 56, something in that area. I did that. I put my name on the line. My haters are on the edge of their seat. People that don't like... Listen, remember, if I say something in a video and I'm wrong, just go look at the comments, the amount of hate you would get. Shit, I'm trying to ask you guys for a minimum 100 comments. If a video gets 10, 15,000, 20,000 views, I'm asking for a minimum 100 positive comments. Can't leave that. But if I was wrong, if any of my live trading videos for this week was wrong, way wrong or whatever, the amount of negativity would be wild. Wild. Why? God bless. People love tearing somebody down. One of my favorite quotes in movie history, hands down, in every movie I watch, my favorite quote is when the Green Goblin told the Tobey Maguire Spider-Man, why help the New Yorkers? Why help these people? Eventually, they will hate you for it anyway. And that stuck with me because that's powerful. No matter how much you help people, they will eventually hate you because you didn't always help them. Or that one time you couldn't be there for them, they'll hate you forever. People are actively ready to attack. This comes with me as a social media, the world I live in. This I know comes with it. But this also reflects on you guys that are not part of social media, part of your regular life. You could help your family along the way, but that one time you didn't, you're the bad son, the bad daughter, the bad child. That's just how it is. And you should expect it. You should expect that's how people are. You can't avoid it. I could be the best friend to a friend, but if I don't go to one thing or do one thing for them, I'm a horrible person. But all the years of the good, never. People remember the bad. What don't you understand? People will always remember the bad, but never the good. They'll remember this much of the good. You could have done this much good for them. They'll remember this much of it. And the bad, that one little thing you did wrong, or you just didn't let them push you over, you had a boundary, that's what they'll remember you as. Say, you're not a good person. Understand that. Not everyone will be your biggest fan. I am your biggest fan. I'm talking to my mentorship students right now, not you watchers. Mentorship students, you know this. I am your biggest supporter. That's why you have the secret Instagram for free. You don't pay a monthly subscription. I am your biggest supporter. I let you come back to the mentorships again and again and again for free. The classes, not the live trading one. Or if you want to live in the mansion or something, for free. I am your biggest supporter. Understand that. I will always root for you and cheer for you. Keep that in mind. I don't care if I get a pat in the back because God pats me in the back. God, me and God are homies. We're best friends. I could care less about the negative nonsense. I'm quick to block. My team knows. Block before anything else. This is what I'm trying to tell you. I know I'm going on a tangent, but I'm trying to get you to this idea of something. Do you think all the people I've told that made money in crypto and stocks, you think, I'm talking family, friends, cousins, you think they thanked? Not one. Not a single family member has ultimately appreciated the money I've made them. Not a single person. But I'll still do it. Why? Because I understand. I expect not to be appreciated. My expectation is I know I won't be. When I dropped that video this week on the Reels, the levels, I knew that the comments would eventually die off. I expected it to. I expected it because I know. First day, oh, that's enough. Oh, cool, I'm done. I don't care. I know this. So guess what? When I bring them back, maybe February, maybe March, I know they won't last more than 3 days and comments will die off again. I expect it because I know I studied the human mind. I've taken psychology in college. I understand. Human beings are very short-term, goldfish memory, don't pay attention enough, don't care enough. They're the next flashy thing. The next flashy thing. Olga, it's not sad. It's human behavior. None of it's sad. It's just practical. Once you expect this, you know this. There's a reason why I'm single, no kids, no wife, no spouse, no nothing. There's a reason why. My expectation is, my focus is my building the school, bringing you phenomenal content, being there for my students, putting them first. Because my success there will make me a successful father one day, a successful husband one day. But many women won't see that. I'm first. I come first. This Western mindset that I could do it all. I don't need no man. Cool, bro. Cool. Femininity, majority of it is dead. Women act like men. But this was written 1,400 years ago. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said this. A day will come when men act like women, women act like men. This is why the family structure is destroyed. God bless. This is why become independent, become consistent, make money, be able to travel when you need to, find a good partner who will support and lift you up, and live your life in a bubble. Live your life in a bubble where you can't be tracked, you can't be found. Stay off this nonsensical social media garbage. This is the worst thing you could do to yourself. Doom scrolling, following hundreds of people. You don't know hundreds of people. You don't even have 5 good friends. And you're following hundreds of people? Bro, please. Point being here, stage one, and it failed. But this is the power of a stop loss. When you buy here, your stop loss would take you out. Your stop loss would take you out. Your stop loss would be under that, would protect you. This is the thing. It doesn't always work. It doesn't always work. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Not just about stocks, crypto, forex, real estate, whatever that is, flipping baseball cards or Pokemon, whatever freak you're into. It doesn't always work. But if you give it enough time, if you make time, what does God always say? Have patience. Have patience. I'm telling you, if there's one word in the book that God keeps telling you, have patience. I won't let you down. If you support him, he won't let you down. By the way, the other book, Herbal Doctor, get off of the pharmaceuticals. Many of you, your brain fog, a lot of issues. There's a whole other thing. A whole other thing. By the way, this is in English for you guys that don't speak Arabic. I read the English one. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Stop loss, your best friend. And all you need to do is respect the stop loss. Because look how much further MRO has gone down. Where was it? High 30s. Now it's at the low 20s. Boom. Boom. Everything works. But a lot of you just don't understand the time. With time, it all works out. Bro, do you have any idea, Eric, or anyone watching long enough? In the 4 years I've been doing this social media stuff that you see, I used to go live, sitting on a stool, hat flipped back, t-shirt on with a brick background, then moved to there, and then upgraded a bad lighting, better lighting, and this is year 4. In due time, my year 1 couldn't have had this. I didn't know about any of this stuff. The amount of people that work for me and do these things for me. I couldn't have this. In progression, life gets better. My content gets better. My trading gets better. Year to year, my trading has gotten better. I've made more as the years progressed because I've improved on certain things. Remember, I just started shorting penny stocks actively. It's been a year ago. Has it been a year? Last year something. Actively shorting garbage penny stocks. Shout out to TradeZero. All right, next ticker, Bitcoin. Let's talk about, this is the one right here. This is the one right here. Let's go. To really sum up the crypto conversation. Let's zoom in. Hold on. Let's go to a higher time frame and then we'll go to a smaller time frame. All right, can you guys see? Yeah. Let's go. By the way, guys, I'm going to do another giveaway because I don't think we're going to reach 250 likes. Here's another giveaway. Ready? Listen up. I do want to get, I want 2024 to, and I gave my word. Every live I save, I'm going to give away either a book or And this one is $100 because I guess it's easier. This is what I'll do. When this live ends, I'm gonna save it. I'm talking to the YouTube people, not you Instagram people. I'm gonna save this live. There's 172 people watching. When the live ends, not the live comments, the regular comments. If you write down one thing you learned from today's live, one thing, what did you learn? Flood the chat, and you have. No, it hasn't ended yet. When it ends, you'll have. I'll give you 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes to write down. By the way, if you're watching this in the future, please don't DM me saying you commented. Be smart. You're going to get blocked. There's limits to idiocracy and stupidity. There's literally limits to it. Because I've had that. Bro, I'll tell you, for those that don't believe it, you know I did the Bradley podcast, I think 2 years ago, whenever the freak I did it. I gave away the 4th edition digital book for free. Believe it or not, I still have idiots DMing me saying, your code from Bradley's, I just watched it, it didn't work. Please give me the code that works. And my team sends, Professor, I'm like, block them. Why are you messaging me? Block idiots. Literally. This is the stupidity of the levels of humanity that I'm telling you about. To this day, they'll DM me saying, where's my free book? The code doesn't work. Oh, you lied. What? I'm a man of my word on everything I've ever said in the 4 years I've been on social media. So keep that in mind. Now, back to the giveaway. So I'll give away either a book or $100 in MATIC. So when the live ends, you got 10 minutes. Comment what you learned below. Not the live comments. Please, I'm trying to be fair so you listen, because I know some of you don't listen. Not these live comments that you see. The comments that will be active once it's saved. Just hit refresh. The comment box will open, and this is what I'll do, because I don't know what your IGs are. Oh, no, do this. Make it easy for me. Thank you, Brain. When you leave the comment, say, Professor, my IG is, say your IG. Let me find you that way, because YouTube, you can't send a message. And the only thing I ask in return is when I message you, if you pick the crypto or the book, I would just like a screen recording that I actually did it, because people won't believe this. People get DMs. Oh, you don't give away crypto. You're not giving away the free life. You're blocked. I don't argue with idiots. I don't have time for unstable, weak-minded, GMO, aspartame-infected humans. Go on your way. Go on your... And people say that's not nice because they want to learn from you. No, bro, there's 1,000 traders on social media. Go learn from the 1,000 ones. Go find the car ones. The ones showing the cars, that's the ones you want to learn from. The car ones. The car ones. Those ones are the best ones. Children. All right. Nope. Let's not use that color. Let's use white. Bitcoin. Oh, sorry. I'm on the monthly. On the monthly time frame, we are pushing higher. Bitcoin right now is at $42,596. It's pushing higher. We do have more room to go. Remember, the major resistance is 69,000. 69,000. Now let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go bigger. Let's go, everyone. Page 41. What stage? Let's go. I'm going to keep reinforcing it. What stage? What stage? Let's go. And by the way, for those asking, why is this guy saying he's going to give away a book on every live he saves, crypto on every live he saves? Why? For the whole 2024. What don't you understand, you manipulated humans? The more you give, the more you get. The more I've helped. Again, you people don't know because I don't post it. But the amount of things I do behind the scenes with my money helping gets me back way more. I 10x my worth. This is why I know that my 2024 will be a rocket ship because so far, praise God, everyone who's been winning has just picked the book. This will help you make more money. And then you come to the New York class. If you think this makes you money, wait till what you see how I do in my class. When that makes you money, what are you going to do? You're going to buy a property in Puerto Rico and live close to me. And then what are you going to do? You're going to help me build my big homeless projects and homeless shelters and things. That you're going to end up working for me one way or another. Boom. And I'll pay you in crypto. Stage 1. Stage 2. I gotta change the color. Good or bad right now? Good or bad? Let's go. Tell me why. Good or bad? Why? By the way, page 41, every one of you. And again, I'm giving, if you didn't hear, so for those of you that might have came late, I'm also giving away the book or crypto. If you share what you're learning here, post it on your stories and tag me for 24 hours, but you have to be public. I'm going to give away there. I already gave away one. I'm going to give away for leaving a comment. We're just going to give it away, man. We're going to just give things away. We're just going to give things away. Guys, I said good or bad. I said good or bad. It's always good. David, this is not good. Time to take profit, Professor. Tell your friends to buy cash out. That's funny. Bad, no volume, take profit. It looks bad because there's lots of seller price. Yeah. Good if you got into stage 1. Yeah. The big wigs look bad. Correct. Very good. The answer is bad. Why? Sideways. Body has gotten smaller. Massive wicking right here. This is we're at a precipice. Because if this goes up, altcoins, boom, everything, yay. But if this falls down, remember, we're at 42,000. We are beyond up there. Be cautious. There we go, Ryan. Ryan's in the building. Love Ryan. Absolutely love Ryan. If you guys don't know Ryan, you got to go back in one of the videos. Ryan's in one of my classroom mentorship videos. Love Ryan. No man has sold more books than Ryan by coming on a live and telling everyone how he made so much money just from my book. My book team called me up. Ryan knows the story. Love Ryan. Ryan, come to Puerto Rico, man. I know you got a wife and kids. Bring them. Bring them, Ryan. Love to have you in Puerto Rico. The mansion's booked. Just get a side thing around the area. So be cautious. Be cautious. This is what I would leave you with. This is what I would leave you with. Listen to me. One mentor, one strategy, one God. Get that mindset in your brain. Because at the end of the day, everything I taught you tonight, this live has been going on for 2 hours and 37 minutes. It is almost 5 minutes to be 11 p.m. in New York. What a long live. I love it. I would go longer, but I'm out of water. And the water to get is on the other side of the house. It will take me too long to get there. My point to you is, just take this seriously. You got the weekend. Free course. If you got the book, be active in the book breakdown. What I would really tell you to do is, because the live trading videos are not live trading. The level videos are not coming back next week. Not coming back for a month. You did this to yourself. What I would tell you is, take the book. Look at the pages I said. Look at the morning videos that I broke down on my Instagram, the morning reels. Then look at the breakdown videos. Then look at this video. Put it all together and see how I was able to analyze what I did and how you could have done that. And you could have done that. And what you do over the weekend is record yourself doing that, post it on your stories and tag me. That's what I would tell you. That's what I would tell you. Thank you all for joining me. May peace be upon you all. I will leave you with this. I will leave you with this. Go, if you made money this week off of my levels, and if you made money off of my levels, take a percentage of that, give it to your mother, then your father, and then to the homeless. Don't do it charities. If you believe in charities, God bless. I'm not here to argue, nor do I care about your opinion on charities. Go feed them yourself. Buy them food. Oh, but just do it, bro. Just do it. I'm telling you, just do it. If Jesus, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon both of them, said to do this, do it. Understood? Thank you all so much. May peace be upon you all. Have a good night. Enjoy the weekend. Bye.